she dey brought to her. Spiritual country, anybody can come and collect. She dey give am for free. Jay, in the morning, babaza. In the afternoon, never ready. Evening.
I was waiting for you. Thank God you are here. Boniface, please, I need you to help me,
Help you on
It's too early for my clients to come out now. Just give me one round before you go to work.
Sunita, but you and I know that we are not in that type of relationship. What do you expect me to like? Are you serious?
But you're my best friend now, A friend in need is a friend indeed, though. Just give me one round.
Sunita, not when I have a crazy girlfriend. Why? You know how unique can be. If she's to find out that I'm doing anything with you, I'll be gone. Come on.
Please now, you don't actually want to leave me like this now, Okay, we are put it just one round. We are half round. 20 seconds. No, please,
Sunita, how on earth can I explain this your spiritual congee? I mean, this is public. You're just embarrassing yourself. Can you coordinate yourself?
Okay.
Can you comfort yourself?
Yes.
Can you really stand still?
Okay.
Stand still. Like this.
Okay.
Cover them. Tight them.
Okay.
Seize them.
Chimo.
You see, let me tell you, I'll be going to work now. I would suggest you should relax here. Maybe one of your clients will come. I'm definitely not one of your clients.
Boniface, you want to leave me like this, though? What are friends for now? Boniface, you want to leave me like this, though?
Charismatic Harlot, she's so appealing. Everybody wants her. Hey, when you enter once, you go like to enter again. Defend a guajique, manage yes we can. Sweet, charismatic Harlot with a lot of skills. Only your husband, well. Cause any man who
it's not a pleasant sight to see the three enjoy the same privilege as we human. I mean the softness of your body.
I just woke up this morning and suddenly I feel in the mood, so you know.
You mean you're in the mood this morning?
That's what I just said now. Why are you making me repeating it? It's embarrassing enough that I had to say it at first.
Oh, embarrassing? You mean you, number one harlot, is embarrassed? That's quite funny. But you know, I'm ready to help you out, okay? Yeah, I can give it to you the way you like it.
Let's do. How many rounds do you want? 1, 2, 3, 1 hour, 2 hours?
But you know we can't do it, right?
Why? Just to put it now.
I don't live far from you. So can we go to your place?
Of course. Why not? Let's go. I live for that.
Alright. You know what? You're just gonna go to the bar because my wife, she's actually spying on me, so I have to go.
My Lord is here. My Lord is back. Are you okay? You seem withdrawn. Did you have a bad day?
There's an impromptu meeting I need to attend to. Please, go help me pack my bags.
What? You just got back from a 3-day trip. You want to travel again? Honey, it doesn't even occur to you that I am lonely.
Sugar, you need to remind yourself who your husband is. I am a man of caliber. Definitely you're going to spend some nights without me. I need to go to work.
There you go again, sounding so mean and cold. You couldn't even find the soothing word to make me feel better.
Miranda, I know what you want to hear. But first of all, go help me pack my bag, okay?
Oh.
Hurry up, please.
You know, I can't get enough of you. You're so sweet and magical.
Hi! Thanks for helping me out, and for paying me so well.
You will look a celebrity in this village. I hope you know that. You know, like a popular harlot at that, and the sweetest amongst all ladies.
Ah, have you tested all the women? How come you know that they are all sweet?
But I got that from the testimony from the men that have slept with you. And also, what you did this morning was so disturbing. I really felt bad when I saw you doing it.
Well, that's my life. When the heat comes, I can't help but, follow any man I see. At least just to satisfy my urge.
Okay, but how about I leave my wife and come get married to you? At least I can be servicing you constantly.
Are you insane? Ah? Please, no. You have tried today, you've done enough servicing for today, you can go. How can you marry a harlot? Do you even know what you're talking about? I've been cursed with the wayward life. Can't you see? Just stop this nonsense talk and go home. You have tried. Thank you.
Oh. You can at least think about it.
There's nothing to think about here. You don't fall in love with Asha. In fact, come and start going. You have tried today. You paid me well, at least go. Leave. Go back to your wife.
At least you don't need too many men in your life.
I'm not saying this one. I like the plenty men in my life. You can go. Thank you for today. You paid me well. I'm happy. But you're shameless. So. You didn't even wait. Just clear us the quickie. You remove any shirts.
So you guys are not in trouble, at least for now. Relaxed. Don't be tensed. Right?
See, Oga, this is a relief. Anytime Oga and Chief of Staff call us for meeting, and they fear trouble. Once you don't talk them.
It's alright. It gets to my notice that one of you is spreading rumor about this family out there. I do not want to hear that again.
They are not rumors. I see them with my kurukuru eyes.
You see them with your kurukuru eyes. So if you see them with your kurukuru eyes, perceive them with your kurukuru nose, hear it with your kurukuru ears, let it not escape your mouth. Have I made myself clear? Now, listen. If I should hear anything concerning this household out there, I will deal with you. As a matter of fact, I will get you fired. I am the chief staff of this house. I employed you both, and I can get you sacked. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now return to your duty post.
You don't look bright. What is the problem? Talk to me. What is the problem?
Mother, my husband has traveled again. Can you imagine? He just returned 3 days ago and now he has traveled.
And I'm sure he did not tell you where he went.
No.
Those are excuses men give to their wives. They might tell you they're going for a business trip or something. They are simply giving those excuses to go out there and enjoy their lives with their mistresses or even their wife outside. They might even have children and have families out there that they're not telling you about, and their wives will never know.
Mother, you're making me more scared.
You should be scared, though. You should be very scared. Scared of your life, scared of losing everything, scared of your marriage. You have to be scared. If that is the only thing that will help you buckle up and save your home.
So, what do I do now? He's not a child. I can't possibly put him under lock and key and chain him.
Then charm him. Yes. You use a charm on him that will make him sit at a place. And most importantly, have a child for him. Having a child is the only thing that will save your marriage. What haven't I told you? I've taught you how to open your legs. I told you, you hang one leg up. I should not teach you again. You don't fuck up. What's up? You bend down. I taught you that.
My darling.
You look very tired.
I know, as you can see, I'm And I expect you to welcome me with a glass of cold water.
I should get you a cold glass of water when you're not getting exhausted for this family, but as a result of servicing your harlot.
What? What do you mean by that? Huh? How can you say such a thing like
that?
Oh,
say it! Everyone in this village knows that you go in and out of your harlot's house. How can you share me like this? What does she have that I, your wife, don't have? What?
You know what, woman? Enough of this discussion, okay? Go in there and get me a glass of water to drink and stop listening to things that will ruin this marriage. Okay? What is wrong with you?
You go like to go again, no, no be your fault, sweet in the middle.
Open. Bunny.
Sweeter.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. This one you are happy, excited seeing me and arranging yourself and all this. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Because if you are adjusting all these things, expecting me to have something with you, then you must be dreaming. And let me tell you something, I'm tired of standing there supervising you all day. I just can't keep doing that.
Well, I like a hardworking man, trust me. A sexy man is the one who is really hardworking. I mean, Odoku. Oh.
Anyway, I wish Eunice can actually tell me these sweet words. But she wouldn't. Always suspect me sleeping around with women.
Well, you can't blame her now. When you are best friends with the harlot, what do you expect? If it's me, I'll think the same thing. I'll think that we are cute.
My friend, will you just keep quiet? What's even wrong with you, Sinita? I mean, you're just so comfortable with this, your harloting of a thing.
It's my work.
Madam, shut up. Which one is your work?
Okay.
It's my work, it's my work.
No job is too small.
Haven't you thought of getting yourself useful with a better thing? Okay, fine. Let me suggest one for you. I can actually employ you at my boss place. I mean, you can be paid well there. Trust me. You shouldn't be comfortable with this, your whole of a thing.
So when the heat now comes, what will happen? When I now come and meet you to quench the heat, or go and meet your boss, come and have sex with me.
Well, I think you are right. I forgot that you are having this spiritual conji.
It's my profession. Now you called it the right name. What is wrong with this?
You are just funny. You're unbelievable.
Saint Bunny.
Oh, babe.
Hey, please don't touch me. I don't want to share you with the most polluted harlot in this village.
Eunice, can you just stop thinking like this? I've told you countless times that I do not sleep with Sunita.
And you want me to believe this? Everyone in this village talks about how she is so ready to have sex with a tree. And she will leave a man like you alone. And you want me to buy the lie you're telling me?
Gossips. Your problem is gossip. Let me tell you something. The earlier you stop listening to gossips, will be the better for you. Otherwise, this can't work. I mean, this can't work between us.
Are you being serious here? So, you're not threatening me? Because I'm telling you the truth. You're threatening me, right? In fact, come on, I need to smell you. No, I have to smell you. What?
Stop misbehaving.
Calm down, let me smell you.
Please, can you just respect yourself? What is wrong with you?
If you know what I'm saying is not true, let me smell you. Allow me to smell you. Period.
You want to smell me?
Yes.
You want to smell me?
I have to smell your pee-pee. Period. Go back to where you're going. If you like, run, you still meet me here. Go and come back, oh. I'm waiting for you here. Can you imagine? You know I want me to smell you're going now. No problem. Go and meet her and come back. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you.
Wahala not too much like this, yo. This thing na juju, I be na jazzy, yo. Come jua. Innocent tree, west stand on his own. He gone the romance. Obunyage bunazifa, Obunyage nara china. She de buro to spiritual country, anybody can come and collect. She de give up for free. Jai, in the morning, babaza. In the afternoon, even in the night, yo. Waka enter, do and pay. Wahala not too much like this, yo.
So you even visit the famous Harlot?
What's there has it famous Harlot? I don't understand. Don't tell me fine young man. I have the right to try different soup. However, I'm not just... I think just have just... Ah.
It's not even kind. I want to ask you something. Do you even have any atom of respect for me at all?
Babe, listen. You know I love you so much. You have a special place in my heart. Stop acting like a baby and relax.
Which special place are you talking about? When I have to share you with that harlot that just walked past us now? Listen, you have to stop seeing her all.
All what? I'm telling you, all what will you do? You know the luck you have. She gets to sleep with many men. If not, your ass would have left this marriage way too long. Not like you are good at anything. Common dog you cannot even give.
What are you even saying? Was I not a virgin when you married me?
Virgins, they learn. I expect you to learn.
Teach me, or should I go and meet other men like you're meeting that harlot?
Enough. Take me home.
Take me home.
You go like to go again, no, no be your fault.
Mommy!
Sweet in the middle.
I am aware you only get male visitors and some of them are married men. But sorry to disappoint you. Today is good. Well, I might be many things. A whore, a harlot, call me promiscuous. But I don't do women. That's forbidden around here. Never. I am not here for such. Then why are you here? I came here to tell you to stay away from my husband. We are happily married, for God's sake. And you are about to ruin something very beautiful. Well, I have no interest in your husband or any other man. Coming from someone who sleeps with every man, including married men. Well, I know how that looks. But the problem is, when the heat comes, I have to, calm myself down. So I need a man in between my legs to do the job. And Jerry, he's just helping me like any other man. How dare you even try? That's a wrong move, lady. Don't do that. Oh, God, it makes you look useless. You don't do that. Not in my house. If you have a problem with your husband seeing me, then take it up with him and not with me. Do you understand me? I have never gone after any man. They all come after me. So you have no right to come here and throw tantrums like a little kid whose chocolate just got taken away from her. So be very careful next time. You're shameless and thick-skinned. You know what? Just get out. My next customer will be coming anytime shortly, and guess why they like me? I exercise discretion, so get out. Let me see you meet my husband next time. You won't like it. I promise you. I pay my husband for all this. Stay away from my husband. I will warn you next time. What's all this? Why do they all come here to rant their frustration on me? How am I food here? I never asked her to be ugly. And it's not my fault that she doesn't even know enough styles to keep her husband. Oh, I need to start giving these women some tutorials. At least that should help. Because this is really crazy. I have a lot of work to do. So much work to do. Sunita.
You'll be staring at me like your eyes want to fall off from its socket.
Tell me how your travel went.
It went well, though I don't want to bore you with details of a regular business trip.
I knew it. I knew you would never want to discuss anything with me. Fine. In case you want a travel companion, I'm available.
That's nice of you. But what I want you to do for me right now is to help me convince the women to cast their vote for me. I am aspiring as a new community head.
Congratulations. Well, I feel you will make a good community head.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I am counting on you. Okay?
Boss, with the expression on your face, I can tell you are not happy with what Mazio posted about you.
These are all lies. He's going about spreading false rumor about me.
I know. That is what we call dirty politics. Trying to stain your name just to gain public relevance and get himself votes.
But that doesn't make sense at all. Should I threaten him? To get him scared? I am not that kind of a person that goes around threatening people.
I neither think threatening him would sort anything out. Instead, I think we should contract people that will write good things about you on the social media. It will just require a little money.
Do whatever it takes to right the wrongs. Do it.
Why are you looking at me like you saw shit? Why is your face like that?
Sunita, what I feel inside of me is similar to that. I mean, I wonder why you earn so little with all the population of men coming here on a daily basis. It's really weird.
And who told you that harlotry is a lucrative business? Which school did you go to and they told you that harlotry is lucrative? Well, if someone had actually told you, they lied to you, you can actually go and shoot them. I give you the permission to. It's not lucrative at all. Anyway, why are you even here in the first place?
And what sort of useless question is that?
Yeah.
So, do I need any permission to be here? Are we not friends? Why are you even asking me that kind of a question? Take your time.
Why does it feel like you are running from a relationship? I mean, Eunice. Listen, if the relationship gets too hard, why not just break up with her? It's as simple as that.
Let me tell you, Sunita, my relationship with Eunice is by force. As a matter of fact, I can't even think of breaking up with her, else I'll be dead.
Ha! That means your relationship is practically like bondage in love or love in bondage. Which one? I think they're the same thing. You... Oh, Bonnie, poor you. Sorry,
Bonnie.
Come. Why did you react like that now?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Anyway, Eunice always sniffs me anytime I come back. Just the way dog sniffs a criminal. If she happens to perceive your perfume on me, I'll be dead. So please just...
Hey! Sorry, in the relationship. I know harlotry is not lucrative, but at least nobody sniffs me.
Oh, babe. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nothing looks suspicious today. You must be really tired.
Yes, I'm tired.
What took you so long? Or do you not find it hard? You now prefer that your harlot girlfriend.
Babe, I don't really have time for this your troubles. But anyway, I'm just coming back from my boss place. He gave me an assignment to execute, and I really need your help.
Don't try to change the subject. How do you think your boss will feel when he knows his trusted employee is a friend to a harlot? How will he feel?
Babe, do I need to remind you that my boss shouldn't have any problem with me having anybody as a friend? Hence, I'm dedicated and competent with my work.
That is what you keep telling yourself, but you, my darling, know the truth. Anyways, just try and make friends with responsible people and distance yourself from harlots, please. I know you're tired. Let me go in there and get you something to drink. Okay?
That is what you should have done.
Of course, I know. But anyways, leave harlot alone so that harlot will leave you. I'm coming, baby.
Is sex food? Eh?
Where is this coming from? For weeks now you've not touched your wife. And this is bad for people who are trying to have children.
Listen to me, woman, okay? I had a very long day and I'm stressed. I need to rest. Allow me rest, please.
But what will you do? You'll be servicing your harlot and allow your wife to rust away? Look ahead, I need to change my engine oil before you knocks down.
Change which engine? Change which engine? Eh? If somebody hears you talking now, they will feel you know how to do everything.
Oh, is this how you want this marriage to look like now, Abi? No problem. I will go out there so that men will find me desirable.
Go out there. Go out there. Sex life with you is very boring. I keep on telling you this. You keep doing missionary from January to February. Every time missionary. Eh?
And I won't mind though, because you find shameful harlot more attractive than your wife. No problem. No problem. Come and go, let me.
Go outside, please. Let me have peace in my own house.
I said you're not going.
Please.
Okay.
Let me have peace in my own house.
I need to change this my engine oil.
You're
not going.
Is this one working well?
Okay.
You just lie down on the bed. That's all you know how to do.
I said you're not going.
Allow me to rest in my own house.
No.
Allow me to rest in my own house.
I said no. Your wife need to change this engine. What is it now? Touch me. For once you have not touched me.
I just want to be alone.
Are you resisting me?
Can you hear yourself speak? Why will I resist my wife? I only said I want to be alone.
No, you can't keep doing this. I'm sex-starved. I want you. Can't you feel the way...
Hey, listen. The only thing on my mind right now is the forthcoming election, okay? So please, all I need from you is your full support.
Look, I know how important your political career is to you. Sex is also important. Why don't you just touch me and make me feel like your wife?
Hey, listen. Okay, fine. Once I win the election, then we can have sex anyhow you want. But for now, my body won't even respond. I am distracted, okay, with my own words.
Funny face! Funny face! Come!
you called? Is there anything you need?
I need a favor from you. But I don't want anyone to know about it. My husband inclusive. Can you keep a secret?
Yes, I can keep a secret. As long as what you're asking does not spoil anything, I will be willing to.
No, it's not going to spoil anything. Rather, it will save.
Okay, so what could that be?
I need you to help me find out why my husband is not sexually attracted to me. I need you to find that war. I need to know her. I need to know why my husband finds it difficult to touch me. Can you do that for me?
Mistress, are you asking me to spy on my boss? I mean, it sounds somehow.
If that is what you call helping me find this information, so be it. So, open the gate.
Boss, there is something bothering me for a while, and I think this is the right time to tell you. Okay? Go ahead. I'm all ears. After all, your sincerity and loyalty is to me. Well, that is the reason I hadn't told you about it, because I consider it to be a betrayal to Madame. Well, she asked me to spy on you to know if there is any lady you are seeing lately that is satisfying your sexual desires. So, is there any? Hmm, I'm not surprised. So tell me, is there any woman somewhere? After all, you are like my shadow. You follow me everywhere. Well, there is none I know for now. You're crazy, you know. Was that for now necessary? So, what should I tell her? Tell her nothing. Leave her to me. She's my wife.
This one that you're here, I know that your husband sent you here because he needs something from me. Am I right?
Very correct. Wait, Mom. You know, sometimes I just feel you have this gift of foresight. How did you know?
I know that because I know that he's seeking the position of the head leader, the head of this community. So he's seeking that position and definitely he needs my help. So I know that's why he sent you here.
Mom, see, I have to be frank with you. He obviously wants you to use your status as the woman leader to influence people to vote for him.
So he thinks that being my son-in-law will make him get that position. He must be a joker.
Come on, Mom. His family. Are you saying you won't do this for him?
Yes, it's my family, but I don't like the way he's treating you. That man does not have respect for anybody. I don't even like the way he treats me, his mother-in-law. He doesn't have respect at all. And now he wants me to use my position to grant him his desire. No, I'm not going to do that.
Mom, I understand what you mean. But please, you have to do this for him. See, Patrick is so focused on this. The only thing you can help me do now is to help him win. And he emerges victorious and everyone is happy. Please.
Hi!
Are you okay?
Please help me.
Are you okay?
I'm dying now.
Help
I'm
me
about
to
to
what?
go crazy. Please just help me.
Please stop all this rubbish you're doing.
Wow. If this is not witchcraft, then what else am I supposed to call it? Now, please understand now. You're a woman. You should know how this thing is. It makes you want to look like you're going crazy. Please, eh? Oh, dear, what this lady just said just now. That I should speak to you and give you my husband for you to go and sleep with you. You must be insane. Are you insane?
Please, listen, she's my wife. You have to respect my wife. Please, don't do this in front of my wife. Please, she's my wife. You should have some respect for her. Please, don't do this.
Babe, what are you doing now? So she would have said it behind me if I was not here.
It's okay.
Madam, please now, Mrs. Gabriel. I know you are his wife. You know what? Just lend him to me. What? Just 1 round. Okay, so let me just put the tip, eh? 1 round. 1 round now. Wait now. Let me get you my husband. Let me get you my husband. Let me cut you away from my husband. First, sit in the house. God will punish you. God punish you. It's yours.
I say, holy your husband, cause any man who enter this property, any man who enter this property, go like to occupy and for life. Wahala not too much.
You know that girl is Hey, what happened? You look very happy. Please. You won't believe that my husband was able to resist that evil harlot and rejected her. To crown it all, he wanted her to stay away from him and never say anything whatsoever like that to him again, as it is disrespectful to me. Tell me, what did you do? What did you have to expect that morning, day and night. Now my husband is free from that harlot spell. He will never go back to her. I'm so happy for you. See, are you this solution? I want my husband to see her and hate her. The marriage is breaking down and I don't like it. My sister, nothing is ordinary. But my happiness is that my husband, Gabriel, is finally freed from that harlot. He is never going back to her ever again. I'm happy for you. I'm ready for position too. I want my husband to come back to me. The God that did it. Amen. Oh, amen. I'm actually going to the market. I want to go and buy stuff for my husband. My friend. Because now he's mine and mine alone. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for myself too. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye. Hi. I'm so happy. Oh, my husband come back.
You're tired. You're a blessing to us men, I must say.
How do you mean?
Well, being in a marriage is really stressful. Having to please just one woman. It gets really boring. Same routine, same everything. But look at you, always ready to please us men, without being shameful about it.
But the way you spoke to me earlier, as if I was an abomination.
No, don't say that. I have to put off that movie.
No, because I came on to you, you just spoke to me and I didn't like it.
You know how to do it because my wife was there. I didn't want it to seem as if we're having something. But look at me now, babe. I'm here with you having the best sex of my life.
Do you really mean it?
Oh God. Babe, you know you are hot. See the way you gave it to me. I've not had this phone in a very long time.
Well, I'm happy I did. And I'm happy I made you happy. But, you know, everything is money. You have to pay well. We have to pay enough money today because I paid you by today. Or I bring the money.
Money. Women are money.
Hey, charismatic harlot. She's so appealing. Everybody wants her. Hey, yo. When you enter once, you go like to enter again. If an aguajike, manage yesike. Sweet, sweet, yeah. Charismatic harlot with a lot of steals. Hey, photo. Only your husband, the well.
What do you think you're doing? What's that?
Let's we work hard, eat it, shop hard. What's happened now?
Bonnie? What is this? I'm really concerned about you. You hate this, my profession. You consider it a cause. Yet you want to eat from the proceeds of our lottery. Is that not double standard?
Respect yourself. What is wrong with you? Are we not bestie? Am I not your bestie? See, let me tell you. You walk the walk and you are my bestie. I could follow you jump. Why you
let me ask you again. If you get home now and Eunice decides to smell your mouth and she's got that you ate outside, what will be your excuse?
So what is your own? Is he your girlfriend? Eunice is my girlfriend. I'm not your girlfriend. Leave me and Eunice. I can settle her.
Okay, let me come and see you. It is my food.
It is your food. See, let me tell you. Do you know the kind of balls we see go grow for your eye? Because of this, your envious eye. You know when I follow you enjoy better than I be? See, let me tell you, the kind of balls we see go grow for your eye. This your eyelash. You go drop. You know go recognize. You know go ever recognize your client. Bring out that food, no chop. So later, if you don't want us to eat this food in peace, we can actually eat it in pieces. You know me now.
Honey,
normally.
Please go to Eunice.
I should go to Eunice.
Yes, go to Eunice.
Okay.
Let me
no problem.
Bonnie,
please, you carry this right.
Bonnie,
we go put this away. I know what I'm saying.
Bonnie,
okay, but come and eat.
Bonnie,
no, don't worry. Since you this man, come and eat. Break and eat your food.
You go like to go again.
What were you thinking asking my closest employee to spy on me?
Is that what he told you?
Not exactly, but the assignment you gave to him is unbelievable.
Honey, I'm just a concerned wife, trying to make our marriage work.
And you think I am in a relationship with someone else? Or rather you think I'm having an affair?
Not really. It's just that you've not been so affectionate towards me. And it's eating me so deep.
That's the point. You really think I am having an affair? Crazy.
Honey, please, I'm sorry. I'm just trying all my best to make our marriage work. Please, can you meet me halfway? I thought I could rely on you or trust you. But no, you betrayed me.
I am sorry, mistress. You see, what you asked me to do took away the peace of my mind. And for me to restore that peace of mind, I had to tell my boss.
You could have rejected the offer. You could have said you were not interested. Wait, what was your plan? Break my marriage? Or cause problems between myself and my husband?
That wasn't my intention. I'm sorry, mistress.
Liar. Look, this is my home. And I've got more power than you do. I can actually chase you out of my house.
Mistress, I can't be against you. I've always been in the best interest of this family. I can't go against your wish if your intentions are good as well. I just did what I felt it was right. I am sorry, like I said.
This is my family. And my intentions for my family will always be a good one. Fool. Where's that bell? Get me a glass of water. Please sit. You are a guest. This is a big anticipation. Oh. Okay. I am only here to warn you. I believe you might have heard about my temper and how mean I can be, and you don't want to experience it. Well, you just walked into my house to threaten me. I do not respond nicely to threats. I've heard you're mean, but have you also heard that a harlot can be very ruthless? And that's because every sex she has with any man is a potential threat to her life. And that in itself can be considered dangerous, trust me. Because she might just be having sex with a killer or even a madman who will just choke her to death. Come on. Wow. You have the dictionary of harlotry, don't you? And I believe you love your job so much. Ooh. I found myself in this business. I might as well just enjoy the ride. Believe me, I'll just make the best out of it. Cause they always say, my life gives you lemons. You make lemonades out of it. I don't care the kind of business you do, but if you dare infect Boniface with disease, I'm going to come back here and kill you, even your spirits. You don't look like a killer, darling. I'm sorry, just forgive me. You look really hilarious doing that. But you know what saddens me? Is that Boniface does everything he can to avoid sleeping with me. He works really hard, tirelessly in fact, to stay faithful to you. And the one whom he does all of that for doesn't even trust him. And that, trust me, is really sad. I believe you're a very wise harlot. That I am. And you have men that patronize you. Even when they have women in their lives, yet they cheat on them with you. So believing a man is a very big mistake you can do. Because the thing between their legs will always betray them. Okay. This is the last time I will come back here to warn you. Leave Boniface alone for me. He's my man. I don't want to come back here again. If not, you get from me. Oh, rubbish. He's my best friend though. I'm sorry, I cannot just stay away from him. I mean, what does Boniface even see in her? This is serious. Oh, Boniface, you need to do better. Not that.
Guy, calm down now. Guy, calm down. See, I'm the one. I'm the one meeting her first now. Guy, allow me to go and meet Sunita first. Have you not been with her before? Eh? What is your problem? Come first, come. How much even pay her? So it's not money, Abi. Sunita does not care about how much you pay. Sunita wants to see me, and that's the most important thing here. Let me go inside, please. I'm doing. Guys, stop this thing now. We are embarrassing yourself, eh? The guest says you want to pay that.
You are where, Eunice?
What's that supposed to mean? So I can't visit my boyfriend in his working place anymore.
I even see him. I'm at work. Do you want to get me fired? For crying out loud, you're not supposed to be here in the gate. My master can fire me, or would you prefer a jobless boyfriend?
Okay. I'm consigned. Just tell me something. Why are we not even married? Eh? Or do you have someone else in your mind?
Eunice, for crying out loud, this is what we can actually talk over at home. Not you coming to my working place. You want to get me fired? See, please, just go home, alright? When I return, we'll talk. Do you want me to be jobless?
No problem, even if you don't have money. I love you so much, baby, you know that. I didn't love you because of your money. If you don't have even penny, I can take you like that.
In as much as I want to try you and see, I still insist you should go home. When I go, we can talk. Please. Eunice, you need to leave, please. You need to leave. I'm even busy inside. My boss is waiting for me.
You can just try and come out now. Let's just talk about it here, please. Oh, just kiss me on the phone so I can go. Kiss me now, please.
Stop!
Okay, just pray she comes in time. Are you sure she's going to come here? Yes, Mike. I told her. Okay, let's keep waiting for her. Okay, that's her. Oh.
Really? I'm glad I met you. I was about to meet you.
I hope there's no problem. How can you even ask that when your fiancé is a friend to that harlot that has been terrorizing our marriages in this village? Okay, so you think, or both of you think I'm worried that Boniface will be cheating?
Shouldn't we be? Even the strongest man in this village cannot resist her because she's a witch. She bewitches them and makes them bow at her feet.
Anyways, I don't believe in witches. And me, I know how to keep my man in check and for him to behave well. Listen, you don't take chances. If you think that your man is covered up, please, can you help us protect our marriages? Our marriages are breaking because of that girl, that harlot of a girl. Please help us. Okay, what do you need me to do?
Join us, let's mobilize the other women to set up a meeting. And then our next move is to kick her out of this village.
Please. No, please don't say no to us. Please help us, Eunice, please. Imagine us as your sisters. Would you want something like this to be happening to us?
Exactly, we are tired.
Save us in this village. Else you know what will become of us. Please.
Eunice, please. We are tired. Sunita the harlot, you've been summoned by the women of this village for causing problems to our relationships and marriages. You even lure them to sleep with you, even though you know they are married men. What do you have to say about this?
Not much. The only thing I can say is, I am a harlot. Yes, and I'm very proud of my profession. Very, very proud. Yes, and in this profession of mine, I've never forced any man to sleep with me. Just know that one. Underline it. I do not have a gun to their head. Neither do I have knife to their throats, forcing them to sleep with me. Any man who comes to me, sleeps with me out of his own free volition. I didn't force anybody. Yes. Bam, I said it.
And she's even proud to say it. If shamelessness was a person, then it is you. A venom and a poison to all of us in this village.
I'm telling you. This is why your husband keeps coming to me. Listen, I agree. I am a harlot. A very proud one at that. Yeah. Trust me, I know how to do my duty very, very well. Because that's how I survive. I do it for survival, in case you haven't noticed. Yes. I do not force any man, like I earlier said, to sleep with me. Your husband should be blamed for patronizing me, not the other way around. So I refuse to be treated like a criminal simply because of the choices your husband made to leave you all and come to me to give them the greatest servicing of their lives.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why should I be ashamed of you?
Are you that desperate that you have to plan a mob action to get rid of her? What is wrong with you?
Oh yes, I am desperate. How can a shameless harlot take away my husband from me? How can you choose a shameless harlot over your wife? How can you?
You call yourself a woman? Huh? You call yourself a decent woman, and yet you treat a fellow woman like you in such a barbaric way. You think I'm the only married man patronizing the harlot?
And what other services does she render to you rather than sleeping with you? I have told you that all women have the same holes and the same private parts.
You know, you might be right, but the techniques are different. At least she does everything to please me, unlike you that finds everything disgusting.
Oh, I will not be a condescending harlot that take your shit and give you pleasure. I won't! Never!
Stay away from my issues, okay? Stay away from my issues. This will be the last time I'm warning you. And I don't want to see you close to her, else you have me to contend with. I am leaving this house for good.
Come back here and meet me. Just pray I don't see that harlot. Pray I don't see her.
Charismatic harlot. She's so appealing. Everybody wants her. Hey, yo. When you enter once, you go like to enter again. If an agwajike, manage yesike. Sweet, sweet, yeah. Charismatic harlot with a lot of steals. Only your husband, well. Cause any man who enter his property go like to occupy him.
Hey, how is she doing?
You really want to know? You really want to know? She's not fine. For crying out loud, she was beaten by the crowd.
I didn't know things were escalated to this. I only thought they were there to warn her.
And what was your involvement? For crying out loud, Eunice, I've told you I am not sleeping with Sunita. Sunita also told you that she is not sleeping with me. Why are you so anxious?
Because you're a man. And my past relationship have taught me not to trust any man anymore.
You can listen to yourself. Also, tell me, what are we actually doing? If there's no trust, if you can't trust me, what are we actually doing?
I'm really sorry for my involvement in dating her. I didn't beat her, but
I think what you are supposed to do is to sit your head down and think what you are actually doing with me without trust. I think I should have get back to myself.
I said I'm sorry.
Hey, charismatic harlot. She's so appealing. Everybody wants her. Hey, yo. When you enter once, you go like to enter again.
If your pain, why are you feeling it? What's that? Please respect yourself. Do you see what your wives have done to me? Relax. No, don't tell me to relax. Look at what they did to my skin. Do you know how much I spend on this skin? What is this now? Why am I to be blamed for your insatiable desires? Eh? Why am I the one at fault that you're self-starved and unsatisfied in your marital bed?
We are sorry, eh? Chai. Oh, Sunita, we are so sorry. Huh? I'm not happy this happened to you. Huh? It is not your fault.
This is so shameful. They're the ones begging her for affection.
This is not ordinary. She has bewitched them, and only us can set our husbands free.
Please, allow me to take care of you, please. I feel so hot when you are in pains.
Jerry, what are you even saying? Allow me to take care of her now.
Calm down now.
Sunita, let me kiss away your pain, please. I'm here for you, always.
What's wrong with this one? I'm just saying I'm in pain. You are talking about kissing. You know what? All of you. Look at the mess people have gotten me into because you cannot even control your women. Eh? You allow them the freedom to do this to me. Am I in control of your misguided desires? What was that now? In fact, everybody leave. Only my best friend is allowed to say. Wait. I don't of you join them and leave. It's only when I'm there that you will know that I'm in pain.
I'm telling you. She has become an enemy to all the women in this village. There'll be no
peace for her. We have to do everything within our power to make sure that she gets out of this village.
Yes. We need to have her husband's back.
Can I even say sorry? Hey. Don't even call my name at all. I'm not the cause of your frustration. When you were busy, rolling up, scratching up yourself, you don't know. Don't even call my name. Pat, I will deal with you. Let me deal with you with this.
What's even wrong with this one?
Don't even call my
Better
name.
Respect yourself. You want to live with him. What's that now? You don't respect yourself.
I will leave.
Who will cook for you later? My friend, stand there. Go back here.
I'm not because of your frustration. You should just know. Don't worry. I will use this job and I will have to apply this rub there so it will stop scratching you. You know what I can do?
You know it will not be.
Open it. Sorry. I'm sorry.
No, leave that point. Those women are very mean. They're so vicious and furious. Thank God I escaped my life.
Sunita, don't you think it's time for you to quit? I mean, this is looking so dangerous. You may not be so lucky next time.
I think I love being a harlot. I don't like being a harlot. But considering my predicament, considering my situation, when I get all heated up and I need someone to calm me down, harlotry is the only way out for me. That's the only way I keep my insanity sane.
I understand. The spiritual conjuring, the irresistible urge in you. But seriously, I don't know how you got to this point. You used to be a very good girl, the best of them all. At some point, I desired you being my wife. But you see now, you belong to every man and I'm not particular.
I don't know how I ended up living a life like this one. I don't know what happened to me. And I can't even help it. I don't want to be like this. I don't want to be this way. I feel so sad and hurt and lonely.
I understand.
I don't want to live like this. I just need someone to help me out. I want to get out of this life, but I just can't. I don't know why I actually ended like this. I don't want this life. I don't want this life. I don't want to live like this.
It's okay. All will well. Trust me.
I've heard all you said. Well, the question is, how could one person cause this havoc in this whole community?
Because she is not a regular harlot. I can tell you for a fact that this lady bewitches our men.
Yes.
And keep them under her control. It's not ordinary.
Woman leader, our husband has no interest in us anymore. Even the thought of having children self has been on hold indefinitely. Please, woman leader, we need your help. Please.
Please, woman leader. You have to discipline this harlot or get her out of this community.
Yes.
This harlot is an abomination and an unwelcome sight to our young girls in this community. The next thing they'll start behaving like her. God forbid.
God forbid. I've heard you. In fact, I've heard a lot. They even told me how she goes after these men even when the man doesn't want her.
Oh.
Huh? Who does that? Well, as a woman leader of this community, I will make sure I throw that girl out of this community. Bam! So that you all will have your husbands back and peace will be restored in your families.
Amen.
One person cannot be destroying the whole community. A prostitute at that. Be rest assured I'm going to handle this.
Hey, woman leader, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you,
Come,
ma.
I'll do it.
Okay, ma.
What do you want from me, mother-in-law? Should I kiss your feet in anticipation of what you're going to do for me? Shouldn't such expensive wine be reserved for dignitaries and special occasions? And what would that be? Should I remind you that when I become the community head, you are going to benefit from it as my mother-in-law? Well, we are still expecting you. Hope you make it soon, because we need to further this conversation face to face. Alright. See ya.
I'm so sorry about the way I was listening to you. I was know that you have spoken to your grandmother.
I understand. I understand very well that you got married to a rude man. An untrained man. He lacks love. He's always bitter. So I understand.
Shouldn't that be my duty to fix?
Your duty?
Yes.
Something that his mother couldn't fix is what my own precious daughter wants to waste her time fixing. Chupuajo. What you should focus on is how to get pregnant and save your home.
But mother, I'm trying.
Try harder. It will not be good that he gets all these things through us and we lose this home. Try and get pregnant. See, if you enter in the bed, you open your head. If it's not okay, you raise your head up. You don't fall. I will not fall. I'm just showing you what to do. If you raise before walk, you don't have to bend.
It's okay, let's go.
I'm just showing you.
You don't need to teach me all that.
How can you bend down? Bend down. That one goes faster. But let's go. Let's try that.
I'm out of work for now. I'm still healing.
Babe, I didn't come for that.
So why did you come?
Guess what?
I'm not in the mood to guess anything.
I got something for you. Ta-da!
Wow!
You like it, right?
This is beautiful. Like? This is really beautiful, love.
Can I say something?
Oh my god, this is nice.
Please, don't sell it. It's quite very expensive.
Yeah.
You know you like money too much. Don't go and sell it.
Oh, thank you so much. This is really cute. Oh my god. Y'all give yourself on this one. Thank you. Oh, look at now. Look at this very nice gift you gave to me. You've made me feel like a princess. A common harlot like me.
You know I don't like it when you use that word, calling yourself a harlot.
That is what I am now.
No, don't say that. Do you know what you are? You're a lady that brightens our future. Darkened by all these our useless, non-talent wives we have.
You don't say that out loud. Don't let them hear you say that. If they hear you, trust me, my problems are going to triple times 100 and I'm in no mood for drama. But this is beautiful. Thank you.
That's why I like you. You're so soft, calm, and sweet.
I know, right? Come. Let me hug for this one. Come. Easy. Easy. Sorry. Yes. Thank you. Give breath.
So you ended up just the way I saw it coming.
Like you've always wished for me. Are you pleased?
Why do you always look for who to blame for your stupidity? Don't you think it's high time you accept your madness and take blame for all your nonsense? Your destiny is not tied in my hands. I don't know why you're blaming me for that.
What brings you here? I've kept my distance like you wanted me to.
It has come to my notice that you are committing nuisance to this community by wrecking women's homes.
And I'll respond to you same way I did with those miscreants. I, Sunita, cannot be blamed for their husbands' misguided and insatiable desires.
Unfortunately, they believe that you're cursed. And everything you touch, you destroy. So I want to warn you, not even warn you, to tell you to take your cursed self out of this community. Go far away and never come back. And I promise you, nobody will miss you.
Tell me, woman leader, what exactly is my crime? Making money with what I have?
Take that thing that you have and get the hell away from this community. Else I will do that myself.
In the shadow of night, yeah, she will play silent chord. That's bacon man to girl.
Babe, the necklace you gave me, the one you gave me on our wedding night, did you see it? Is it that same precious necklace I used to appreciate you for being a virgin? Yes, that one. I can't find it. Did you see it? I don't understand. Why would you look for something so precious like that? I left it in my box, my jewelry box. Just that particular one is missing from it. And you know that necklace means so much to me. And there is no way I'll bring it out and misplace it. Come on now, babe, I can't do that thing. If you're searching for it, indirectly you misplaced it. And why would you even misplace something so precious to you? I gave it to you on our special night together. Why would you even do that?
Her eyes like diamond burning. Oh, charismatic harlot with the heart of gold.
I want
but who was she behind the mask? A complex soul.
What is going on here? What's going on? Why are you touching me?
So, you now go into people's houses and steal their precious jewels?
Give it back. You already know I am associated with your husband, so I don't need to go and steal what I was already given. I got it as a gift, so give it back.
Ah! You say this? This is my first gift. My husband gave it to me to appreciate me for being a virgin on our first wedding night. Something you can never give to your husband if you get married in future. That is if you will get married though.
Exactly. Well, it's obvious your husband woke up from his slumber because he saw you made a mistake. And that's why he snatched it from you and gave it to me generously for jobs well done.
Oh, Sunita, walk away. You don't want to be involved in this.
women are being disrespected. Don't add fuel to fire, please. Just leave. Why do you always gossip? Gossiper. You walk away. Who invited you into this conversation? I am the greatest and famous harlot of this community, and I'm very proud of my profession. What I will not take, because this is very insulting, is somebody snatching a necklace that was given to me as a gift. Something that was given generously to me as a gift. So now give it back. You have mouth.
Imagine, what a brazen harlot.
Women, you people should come on! You people should come on!
What happened? She no longer steals husband, she now steals people's necklace.
Don't mind
my precious jewel.
You go like to go again, oh, no be your fault, oh. Sweet in the middle.
Hey, bro. How could you? Should have just killed me. How can you be this mean to me? Because no woman deserves to be treated exactly how you're treating me now.
Babe, what happened?
This. How can you give my symbol of decency to that good for nothing harlot? You gave it to her and pretended to be angry with me for losing it.
Oh, babe, is that why you're crying? I felt so unlucky that you wouldn't be losing it anytime soon. Come on.
This is my most treasured gift. This gift reminds me of how special our first wedding night was. And you have the effrontery to give it to that harlot. I will not forgive you for doing this to me. God will punish you for doing this to me.
You are becoming too dramatic for me.
Maybe something to eat. Is that all you want to say? Just kill me! Just kill me! I don't want to live anymore! I want to die! Just kill me! What have I done to you? What have I done to you? I didn't deserve what you are doing to me.
Oh, charismatic harlot, with the heart of gold.
What is wrong with you? Show your faces, you cowards! Only cowards fight in the shadows. Show yourself and stop fighting in the shadows, you shameless harlot. And that's why you're hiding and fighting behind the shadow, behind the wall at that. Do we look like we're hiding? No, obviously you are. But we're standing in front of you. Oh, I can see that right now after I called you out. And for you, man. So what do I hold this honor? I've told you countless times to stay away from my man. Tell your husband to stay away from me. No. Have I ever come to your house to look for your husband? Well, you have a choice to say no. And your husband has a right to stay indoors and not come to my chalet. Stay away from my husband because you're causing you. Tell your husband to stay away from me. I have never been to your house. Hey, have I? No, do not tell me to shut it. You should learn how to keep a man. Let me tell you something. The next time I get you close to my husband or our husband, I am going to strangle you. Oh, please. How would you do that with this fatty finger? I can actually do that now if you want to. Oh, are you actually asking for permission? God, you are
Are you sure you're okay? Or should I take you to the village clinic?
This is not the first time I'm being beaten by the crowd. I'm supposed to get used to it, right?
Who gets used to a terrible condition like this? Are you sure you're safe in this village?
Should I run away? Start over? Will the problems I face not go with me to a new location?
I don't know what your story is, but looking at you, you are going through a lot.
Do you want to hear my story? Or you're just another person judging me?
I don't want to know what your story is. I don't care what happened to you.
Then why did you rescue me? You should have just driven by like every other cold-hearted bastard out there would have done. Why did you save me?
The same question I am asking myself as we speak. Why did I save you? Why did I save you? Well, I need to take my leave now. I'll talk to you some other time. Can you take care of yourself?
Oh, charismatic harlot, with a heart of gold. But who was she behind the mask?
Honey? Ah, yes.
I heard you were attacked and I just had to come. This is getting out of hand.
The woman leader was here. She asked me to leave this village immediately.
What?
But what do I do now? Who do I know? Where do I even go to? Besides, I don't even have any money to go anywhere. I don't know.
I think you should report this to the king. Yes, this is totally inhuman. Come on, I'm really scared. They might kill you one day.
And you think the king has time for a common harlot like me? Bonnie, what do you even think that the life of an ordinary harlot like me is worth to the king?
Sunita, I think your life worth everything to the king. It is a life nonetheless. No one deserves to be treated the way they treated you. It is wrong and inhuman. I am scared they might kill you one day.
I will not die easily. If I must die, I will take 1 or 2 people with me to the underworld. Don't worry about that.
Nobody's dying, God. I'm so sorry.
Ah! Oh, what is this? Please, oh, please. Hi. Hi.
So what do you two want me to do with you? Since you have taken laws into your hands already.
We are sorry, Mama. She was looking so proud and brave, and we just wanted to intimidate her a little.
And you thought what you did intimidated her? That girl can never be intimidated. Not even in front of death. Talk less of the few punches you guys did on her. She can never be intimidated by anything. Why taking laws into your hands?
Mama, we're sorry. We thought that you were slow on the matter. That is why we decided to take laws into our hands by giving her some punches.
Yes.
So if you knew that you were going to be fast about it, so why did you bring the matter to me? You don't handle it yourself now.
We're sorry, Mom.
We're sorry, Mom.
And since you two have started the matter, is it not better you continue in your fast way than I rest and watch you do it?
No, Mama, no. We're sorry for disrespecting you.
Yes.
So you still want me to continue?
Yes, Mom.
In cases like this, allow the woman leader herself to handle it. You people brought a case here. I'm already on this matter. Allow me to finish it. Don't help me in any way. Unless you want me to sit back and watch you do it your own way.
No.
All I want to do is to bring peace back in your families.
Yes.
And for you to enjoy your husbands.
Yes.
Then allow me to finish it now. Please don't try it next time.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Ma. Okay, Ma.
Okay, go.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay, take care of your home. This girl. I'll surely deal with her.
I cannot believe you could go this far and low.
Lower your tone because you can't say such thing to
my mother? God forbid having you as a mother.
I wasn't even going to talk about a mother. I was about reminding you that I am the woman leader of this community and deserve respect.
Well, I was about to leave town. But I was curious to find out what you would do to get rid of me from this village.
It will not be wise to stay around to know what I'm about to do. I'm still relating to you because of the relationship we once had. So I will urge you to leave this community before you see the beast out of me.
The beast? Is he not out already? You sent those women to beat me to death. Or are you going to deny having any involvement with that?
And if I tell you I didn't have a hand in that attack, would you believe me? I am going to give you 3 days to leave this community, else you will not be able to withstand the attack. I am going to...
Is that who I think I saw?
Of course. The public harlot.
Mom?
Yes?
You can't be associating yourself with her.
I am not associating myself with her. I am the woman leader of this community, so everyone is under me. That girl has been given the ultimatum to leave this community in 3 days, and she must obey that.
Leave? Of course, you know she wouldn't just leave without putting up a fight.
And of course, you know that your mother is capable of bringing a bigger fight that she won't be able to withstand.
Mom,
you know your mother for that.
I know, right?
Enough of this one. Why so much smile? What brings you here?
Okay. Patrick sent me to know how you're doing with endorsing him.
That man really needs me so much. But tell him, I'm not going to deal with that money.
Come on, mother.
Don't come on me. Just pass the message to your husband. My dog.
Honey, I met with my mother today and I reminded her of the support that you requested.
How did it go? She made any move?
Not quite. But she said you should call her so she'll tell you what she would get in return.
I knew it. Yes. Your mother would never do anything for family's sake. Always selfish. Looking for every opportunity to get something out of nothing.
Hell no, you cannot speak about my mother like that. That's disrespectful.
Who do you think you're talking to, me? Who were you and your mother in the first place before I married you? Wasn't your mother that made my mother to feel you are the best woman for me? Yes. You guys came into my family and then you made name for yourselves and here you are talking. Who's your mother?
Wow.
Who's she?
And that's a classical way of calling us gold diggers, right?
I never said that, you said it.
But that's what your words imply. Look, see my mom and know what she wants in return. I won't even do this with you.
Really? Is that what you're saying? It's alright. We'll see about that. That's okay. So I just...
What is happening? Honey, look, I think you need to visit the doctor. Or you get some specially prescribed drugs for this. I don't know.
I'm gonna be fine, okay? I guess it's stress.
It's not. Look, I sincerely need a child. And this you're being important is not helping matters. Visit a doctor. What? Nonsense.
Boss, you look worried.
I don't want to believe someone tampered with my hand down there. I am finding it difficult to make out with Mira now. Like, she's beginning to think I am important. And come to think of it, I still experience money erections. So what could be the problem?
Maybe you need a booster. I mean a sexual booster. it will really help you. You know, lately you've really stressed yourself so much, and such can also contribute to that.
Booster,
Yeah,
you mean medicine?
yeah, medicine, boss. It will really help you to improve your sexual libido. Trust me, I will actually get one for you. So it's nothing to panic about.
I believe that is the solution I seek. Because I hate being at restless. 2 minutes or 2 seconds or you know what I mean.
Don't worry, boss. Like I said, the medicine will help a lot. I will get you one, trust me. Trust me, it will really help you to improve.
It's okay.
There is no shame in admitting you have a problem down there and need to visit a doctor.
I have done everything possible to get it fixed. But all to no avail. I even went as far as taking booster and all manner of herbs.
This is beyond herb fix. You need to visit a proper hospital, a proper doctor. You need to be diagnosed so they can know what is wrong with you.
Don't you think this might be a psychological thing? Yes. Don't you know the mind controls the body? When the mind is a little bit distracted, it can as well affect, some organs in the body. You should know that. Aren't you educated?
Wait. Are you in any way trying to put this on me? Hell no. I am not the one whose manhood has refused to function even after being massaged and touched by a woman.
Nothing is wrong with me and I am going to prove it.
Listen, you're here this early. Didn't you sleep last night?
How can I? When there are lots of problems facing me, mother.
What are you talking about?
I managed to convince Patrick for us to have a child.
Okay.
He seems interested, but that thing down there, he wouldn't wake up.
Doesn't he have morning erections?
He does, mother.
So?
He even gets excited when I speak to him about it and all that, but he tells me that his mind keeps wandering around beautiful women. But as for me, it's dead on arrival.
In as much as I want to believe that it's possible that Patrick has a problem down there, you have to also do something about this, okay? You have to do something to get his attention, to attract him all for yourself.
Come on, mother, I do. I wear sexy lingerie. I touch him at the right places. I kiss him. Sometimes I even try to dance for him.
Then take the approach of the prostitute.
What?
Take the approach of the prostitute. If it's a manual, a choya, a goya, you want to go. But another thing is that at times it's not about wearing sexy lingerie. At times you wear ordinary pants. You're sexy, you leave your bra. You got to go, you be passing. Hi baby. You know? You shake it. You greet him.
Why did you call me out here? Why didn't you just come to my room instead?
No. It is better we talk here in the open. At least Eunice's mind will be at rest. I don't know why she keeps thinking that you can sway me.
Oh, are you bragging right now? Hey, see Boniface. She's thinking I want to sway you, so now you're bragging that I cannot sway you. Trust me, it will not take me anything. But I don't want to. I'm not here for that. I don't want to sway you. So put your mind at rest. I don't want to abuse the friendship you and I both share. I've come to respect our friendship very well. But you make me want to shout. But I will not. Relax.
Sunita, you are very silly. You are very silly. Anyway, I don't want to try a haul. I mean, I know what you can do. But please, don't. Just keep our friendship the way it is. Yeah.
Anyway.
Maintain your distance.
I am. That you can see I'm standing very far. Yes. That's not the reason. I have other pressing needs right now. The thing is, I'm not in the mood to sway you, romance, or do anything with you. I have an ultimatum to leave this village and it's remaining just one day. I need to go. The only problem is, I don't have any money on me. And I need a lot of money to leave this town really quickly. And I need plenty of it.
You don't have money.
Mm-mm.
So what about all your clients? I mean, the people that placed you in this condition.
You think they're eager to let me leave? They're even saying that the ultimatum is a bluff. But trust me, I know that woman. She's not bluffing. She's the devil herself. I've known her for the better part of my life. And I cannot call her bluff.
It's okay. It's okay. Relax, okay? I know of someone who can help.
Yeah.
At least he will pay you well and fund your trip.
Ha!
Yeah, but before then I have to get him on board.
Hi. No.
But yeah, now, I really hate the fact that I am encouraging this trade. Trust me.
What are you not feeling like? Sense, Bonnie?
I hope I can forgive myself.
Hey! You see, now they think you are all sense.
I'm all sense. Your body know they do you chiki
again before you know.
Sunita, I think we are here for something else. We are not here for...
What if it starts now? Why?
The way you're drinking makes me think the herb didn't work.
You guessed right. I wonder why. The herbs. Was it effective? Or is it fake?
No, I don't think so. I don't think the herb is fake. Instead, I feel you need another different approach to this. Yes, I think you need a sex therapist.
Or what's that supposed to mean?
It means someone who can reset you and make you to start functioning well sexually. A professional, I mean.
Maybe I am now a gadget or a mobile phone that can be reset. Well, I am going to consider your suggestion because I am curious to know if I am impotent or what the problem really is. I really want to know why I can't make love to my wife. It is a thing of great concern.
I am glad you consider the idea, boss, at least to find the answers you seek. Trust me on this, it will be a nice one.
I think I have been here before.
You were?
Yeah.
Boss, you can't say this. This is not a place someone boasts of coming. Here is a place where many men comes for their ungodly things.
Just anyway, let me see her. Alright.
Morning.
Sonny,
What's up?
Ideal.
how are you doing?
Perfect.
He is the solution. You need. He's actually the person that will give you the money you need for your traveling out of this village. So make sure you use every power of yours to satisfy him. I mean, do him see, make him not to forget this same. You get it?
You have nothing to worry about, trust me. He will definitely come back for more if I'm still in this town.
No. That is not the idea. He's not coming anymore. Just do your thing. And just do it clean. He's not returning here again. He's a family man. He's here because he wants to keep his marriage. Can you bring down your voice? He's here because he wants to keep his marriage intact. So just do your job and that is it.
I understand, but it will not be my fault if he comes back for more. You know now.
Do your job.
I will do a good job. Relax.
My guy. Do your job well. At that side.
Bunny.
You go like to go again, no, no be your fault. Sweet in the middle. You go like to go again, no, no be your fault. Sweet in the middle.
What is must have one of things. I think that girl is really good. I have never experienced my veins so hard and unyielding the way it did today. I want to meet her again.
No, boss. Boss, don't think about that. It's a very bad idea, to be honest. As a matter of fact, people that have met with her complain that they find it difficult to leave her. Like she has this poisonous addiction.
Exactly. Well, it won't be bad if I get addicted. Isn't it?
So, addicted to what exactly?
Oh, Miss Rice. How much of our conversation did you hear?
Enough to know that my husband is excited about being addicted. But what is he getting addicted to?
Actually, I took him to a herbal center. So there's this herb they gave to him and he likes the taste. He wanted me to take him there again for it, but I was trying to let him know that much of it can get him addicted. But he said he don't mind getting addicted.
Oh, I see. Well, the treatment might work, but too much of intake might be drug abuse.
Exactly. I understand, my darling. I will make sure I don't get addicted. And I hope I won't be needing this help in the nearest future.
No.
Okay.
Tonight is okay.
We have to go inside.
One step.
So, how was
Alright, I focus
in the shadow of night, yeah, she will play silent chord. That's beckon me to come closer to her. Her eyes like diamond burning. Oh, charismatic harlot with the heart of gold. But who was she?
Why did you ask me to come?
Because what I'm about to ask you is something another you should not hear about.
Make it brief.
You have been acting busy. Each time I want to talk to you or have your attention, you act busy towards your in-law. It's not fair. Anyway, why I asked you to come is I want to tell you to get rid of that mad girl. Either alive or dead, I don't want to see her. Whichever way you decide to handle it, just take her away of this community.
Why will you ask me to do such a thing?
Because you need to win this election. I am the woman leader. You need the votes of all the women in this community. Not that with their votes alone, you have won the election. So for you to get that from me, you have to also do one favor, which is to get rid of that mad girl from this community. That's my condition anyway.
Your utterances are beginning to provoke the beast in me. I advise you step out of my car.
Really? Well, I'm giving you 3 days. 3 good days to get me an answer. That is if at all you want to win.
But who was she behind the mask? A complex soul with a story untold. The world may never know. She's a child of destiny.
Hello. So, how did it go with my mother?
Your mother is a witch. She doesn't wish me well.
I don't understand. What does she want from you? Is it that bad?
She's asking me to do something a street thug should be doing. Maybe she's trying to destabilize my steez in this community.
Is she asking you to kill someone?
Something like that.
Then you can actually be discreet in your dealing with her. She means well, you know.
Mirabel, maybe I need to remind you that you and your mother became somebody when you got married into my family. If you hadn't married me, you would still be an ordinary commoner in this community. Do not forget that.
He doesn't seize any opportunity to remind me that I am a trophy wife.
Boss, you asked to see me, sir. The girl my mother-in-law asked me to get rid of must be someone of great interest. I want to know who she is.
Which lady are we talking about?
She goes by the name Sunit. I want to know who she is, where she is, what she does on a daily basis. Because my mother-in-law must have something against her.
It's alright, boss. I will go on with my investigations.
Good. Please excuse me.
This will end well if you leave this town. You might be hunted down and killed.
You're not making any sense. Who wants me there?
Mama Mia. Yes. Not in every sense of life. But if it comes to killing, she's game. She has always considered you a stumbling block all your life.
History never ends. It just repeats itself over and over again. That woman has taken everything from me in the past. She's left me with nothing. She left me in the streets to die. Just when I'm having a grasp at life. Just when I am swimming instead of drowning, she comes directly for my life. History never ends. It repeats itself over and over again.
Do you have any dirty secret of this woman? I mean, do you have anything to hold as a leverage to defend yourself?
You mean blackmail her into letting me go? No way, I won't do that.
You see, you need to do anything at this point that will make you escape. Trust me, this woman will never give up. If you cannot do that, then I will do that.
Welcome.
Good afternoon, woman leader.
Good afternoon. I guess you came with good news because you didn't inform me before coming.
I know I will definitely meet you at home. After all, the woman leader position is not too busy.
Have you done it or you're about to do it?
You see, Mama, I am too big to carry out such a task. There are other people you can send to do what you're asking me to do. How will you ask me, with my status in this community, to take out a common harlot? Huh? Okay, fine. Yeah, I know I am going to be the community leader tomorrow, hopefully. But that doesn't mean I should be the one doing dirty jobs like this. You have boys. Send them to do it.
I want you to get rid of that girl because she's constituting nuisance in this community. It's destroying the peace of this community. That's why I want you to take away that nuisance from this community. I'm just giving you a little tip on what to do in order to win the heart of the people. And you're seeing it as difficult.
I understand you, Mama. Considering the fact that you are going to support me win the upcoming election. And I know when I win, definitely I will be the one doing the cleaning and eradication of these things that brings bad name to this community.
Good!
Yeah, but you need to give me your full support. Yes.
You see, now you're talking like a leader. At least take this one off the road, then we'll discuss of another thing. Play it out first.
I also have it in mind. Once I win the election, I am going to fix a law. Anyone that involves he or herself into prostitution will be banished from this community. And I promise you that. So you see, I have good plans for this community. So you have to do everything possible to make sure I, Lord Patrick, wins this election. And peace will reign.
Oh, charismatic harlot, with the heart of gold. But who was she behind the mask? A complex soul with a story untold.
Yeah, but what is wrong? Oh! I see your mother does not mind getting her hands dirty as soon as she gets rid of you, right?
Don't flatter yourself, you miserable harlot.
Is that why you tried to kill me? Doesn't the life of a harlot mean anything?
You know, girl, that question should be very rhetorical. You know why? You already have the answers to that. So, look at the girl who has been bragging about shining. You also said you were going to be a queen. Well, you never became one. Rather, you became the queen of all sluts. Queen of harlots.
And I am proud of my profession. Yes, I am. I am a harlot. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Yes. Tell me, because I see you're happy and rejoicing that I turned out bad. I see you now drive a car and you live in a big mansion. Yes. You turned out well. Looks like what my life would have been.
Bow Dadash. Look, stay away from myself, my mother, and everything that belongs to me. If I see you anywhere close to my 4 tires, I will crush you.
Sin. I can smell sin all over this room. Especially sperm.
It's obvious you know the smell of sperm all too well. Anyway, you know this is my world. But you just cannot help yourself but judge. I mean, it's a bad day seeing both mother and daughter. What brings you here?
I can see that you have decided to disregard all my warnings and instructions of you leaving this place. You have decided to push me to the edge. But you know exactly what I'm capable of doing, right?
If you have come to threaten me, then be done with it. Because I know all your sinister plans for me. But what I still do not understand is why the need to get rid of me. I mean, I'm useless and hopeless. And ta-da, you got what you always wanted. I mean, you and your daughter got everything you've always wished for. Why do you still want to get rid of me?
Because you're still alive. Hopefulness is a word you use for the living. But hopelessness is a word you use for someone that is not worth it. You are cursed. You mean nothing to me. See, I'm going to do everything in my power to make sure I push you out of this community. How I wish you would just do yourself a favor and carry your miserable cursed self and leave this place peacefully without me putting in my force.
Relax. Heart attack is real. Just calm down.
Okay.
Do not overexert yourself. And if you're done with all you came here to say, you may now use the door. Thank you.
You heard me right.
Leave.
My daughter's bodyguard. Did they send you here? Is my daughter okay?
Mama Mia,
Yes.
I'm here on my own accord.
Oh.
I realize you have been threatening that which belongs to me. And I'm here to tell you to back off.
That which belongs to you. And by that, what do you mean?
I'm talking about Sunita.
Oh.
Yes. I realize you've been threatening her. And I want you to back off. I need to remind you that Sunita hasn't offended anyone. No woman, not even you, nor your daughter. It is not her fault that all these men are running after her. She never forced anyone to herself. And if you're to continue threatening her, then it will result to a very big scandal for you you wouldn't like.
What makes you think that whatever it is, will make sense to my son-in-law? You think he will believe you?
I am a loyal servant to Boss Patrick, meaning he believes everything I tell him. Do not put me to test, for I know a lot about your daughter. And I need to remind you that the current situation of your daughter and my boss Patrick is not a smooth one. I know all your daughter's mess. I know a lot. Your daughters stay in that family is as a result of my silence. And if I'm to open my mouth, it will be horrible for you and your daughter. So back off.
Okay, now I see. You have been entangled on the west, right? You've eaten what is in the west. That's why you can't even get yourself out of it easily. So all in your brain now is that little thing in the west. That's why you have the guts to walk into my house to give me warning. In my own house, without being afraid of anything. So you embarked on this suicidal mission because you're interested in the west. Right? It's okay. If you say you know anything or whatever it is that you believe you know, you have to keep your mouth shut. Then I will back off on Sunita. But if you say a word, I will fulfill my word.
Good. I know I will arrive to an understanding with you. And that is good. Keep your part of the deal and do not mess up with me.
Get out. I said leave my house.
She's not backing down. she's really going to do something to me.
Look at me, Senator. Come on, look at me. I came to an understanding with her. And she promised she would never come after you. I have something tangible against her. She promised to stay away.
Am I supposed to take the word of the most evil woman on earth and sleep peacefully at night? Funny face, you know nothing about that woman. I have known her all my life.
Same as you don't know what I have against her. She knows the repercussion of what it would be coming after you. The evidence I have against her is very strong, and she's not ready to do otherwise. Nevertheless, I will sleep with one eye open.
Why would you even put yourself in harm's way for me? Why would you go that far?
I would do anything to protect my best friend, to protect you.
Hey! Yo, look who we have here. Ramsey. Big bro, come here. Wow, nice to have you. Yeah, you came at the right time. Oh, really? You're welcome. Oh, please, sit.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sister-in-law.
You're looking beautiful as ever.
Thank you. You've not lost your sweet tongue
First thing first, I am hungry. I need food.
I thought as much.
Standard words from a bachelor, roaming from one restaurant to another, but I got you covered. You can bank on me for a well-prepared, sumptuous meal.
Definitely.
Because, when we were kids, we used to eat 3 plates. In the morning, 3 plates, in the afternoon, and 3 plates.
What?
While everyone is asleep, this young man would go into the kitchen and steal meat from the pot.
But I need food.
Why don't you go keep your luggage inside? Let me get something from upstairs, my car key.
Okay? Alright. It's good to be back, honey. I'll be back shortly.
Why did you come back? Why are you here?
After 1 year, it is so disappointing that you're not pleased to see me.
Pleased? Why should I be pleased to see you? You almost ruined everything that I worked for. You made yourself available, knowing how vulnerable I was, knowing it was going to ruin everyone.
Oh, come on. Is this what you do? I mean, you act like the victim, lure someone into your own game, and then you blame them for going along with your desires. Shh! Oh, come on.
Listen, you cannot possibly say that to me. You need to pack your things and leave. You must tell your brother that this is short visit. Please, I don't want to repeat myself. You must leave, okay?
You know what? You disappoint me greatly. I never knew our reunion would be this cold and cruel. But then it's you, Mirabel. You're full of surprises. But I'll think about your request. Don't push it.
I was thinking, I
feel this is not a good timing for Ramsey to be here. You know what they say about good reputation? Good reputation is everything. I don't want him to be an obstruction for us winning this election.
I thought my imagination was wrong. But listen, my darling, you don't want him to be here. Did he do anything to you?
Not really, but I know his family. But you need not to be sentimental about this. Yes, your opponents can actually use him as a tool to just cause havoc, and you end up not winning this, and I know how much you want it.
Listen, my darling, Ramsey is my kid brother, and he is a changed man, okay? And he told me he found love. He has a woman in his life now, and he has stopped drinking as well. I need him, especially this moment. Okay?
See, that's the problem with you. That's the problem. You never listen. Just now, you're going to cause this problem, and I'll still be the one that will end up fixing and picking up the pieces. I don't want to do that. Send him away. If not for anything, for you to win this.
What you fear will not happen. Be positive right now.
It's like you're not satisfied with your halotry proceeds.
Must you rub my occupation on my face? I worked twice as hard today, and this is all I get. You know, the other day I didn't do so much. Yet with your recommendation, I made so much money. Money that would have taken me 6 months and so many men to make. I made it in just one night with one man. Come on, Boniface. Hi.
I don't even understand you. I mean, you are being greedy. I thought you said that harlotry is not a lucrative trade.
I take that back. It can be very lucrative. See, if you give me, like that client you brought for me that day, 5 of them, I'll make some money.
No.
Tell me, who is the man safe? Is it someone powerful? Can I meet him once again?
So rest. What happened that day was one night stand. That's on period. Don't expect any other thing from it.
Boniface, come on now. Introduce me to him. I want to meet him over and over again, please.
I said you will not meet him.
Are you not my friend? My best friend at that.
Can you just stop?
You let me that plenty men used to come every day, like 10 men in one day.
Sunita. Can you just listen to me? Okay. What happened that day was one night stand. This man has a lot going in his head. He don't need somebody like you to come and destroy his reputation. I mean,
now you sounding like I'm poison.
Is that not what everybody thinks of you in this village? So why are you sounding as if I have...
But that's how you think of me now. Why are you not saying it? What's wrong with you, Seth? Nonetheless, please now introduce... Okay, another one night stand at least.
If I say you won't sleep, lie down, sleep. Lie down, sleep.
You want to lie down with me?
Shower.
Not my work.
Not your work.
You go like to go again, oh, no be your fault, oh, sweet in the middle.
Boss, good afternoon. This one you asked for us to see in the car. I should believe that the reason is a private thing to you.
Yes, it is a private thing. I didn't want to say it in there because someone might overheard us.
Okay, I understand. So, what could that be?
I want to meet the harlot again. Yes, or you call it sexual here. I want you to arrange another meeting.
Boss, I really don't think this is a good idea. But I called her a sexual healer, but that was just a name I painted for her. She is a whore. I don't think you associating yourself with such a girl is a nice thing. I mean, it can ruin your reputation. All you've worked for, boss. It's not a nice idea.
I know. Just that each time I tried making out with Mirabelle, my thing won't rise. But whenever I am around that harlot, I see myself working like a horse. Yes, my performance in bed becomes extraordinary whenever I am with a harlot. But reverse is the case when I am with Mirabelle. Don't you understand? I think Mirabelle might be the problem.
Boss, since you know, why then do you insist on seeing this harlot again? I mean, she can ruin things for you, and besides, what will happen to her if Mirabelle gets to find out that you are sleeping with her?
Because I can't stop thinking about her, especially the sexual styles and the adventure. She takes me to another level, another realm. Why in bed with her? Listen, I need to meet her again so that I will find out what my interest is about her.
Boss, I think this is a very bad idea. Seriously.
Then you must exercise utmost discretion. Why arranging another meeting?
You go like to go again, oh, no be your fault, oh. Sweet in the
Is something wrong, sir? I thought you were here for a good time.
Just seeing you makes my veins hard. What have you done to me?
Nothing. Just doing what you paid me for. Don't you like how excited I make you feel?
Hey, that is not the point. Why is it that I feel so excited and hard whenever I am around you, but the opposite way when my wife is with me? Have you been using photo on your male clients? Huh? So that we will cherish you over our wives?
You already had this problem before I started working on you. I, Sunita, cannot be held responsible if it persists.
You took advantage of it, making sure I don't get solution with your voodoo.
Excuse you? Sir, please. I can be a lot of things. A harlot, obviously. But I do not practice any black magic or voodoo. Don't you dare accuse me of that, mister.
For a harlot, you've got nerves. Tell me, why can't I stop thinking about you?
Well, I am Sunita, the famous harlot. As for why you cannot stop thinking about me, that's left to you to decipher. But
yes.
You know what I just...
Hey, don't touch me. Take it. This is what you want, isn't it? Take it and consider this whole thing over. I'm done with it. Okay?
You go like to go again, oh, no be your fault, oh. Sweet in the middle.
Shit! That is so quick, and you're not looking good. What happened? Didn't she do well today?
She did not. As a matter of fact, I did not allow her to do anything. I think that girl is using Kayamata. Yes, she must have hypnotized me to always make me return
or probably sees her as the best sexual healer in the whole world. Why she's not? No, boss. I don't think you're right. Because Sunita, I know, is not capable of doing such. Trust me. Speak for yourself, Boniface. Any woman that goes around sleeping with all manner of men is capable of doing anything. Anything, I mean unimaginable things. Do you understand? Henceforth, I do not want to set my eyes on her. If I do, I will send her to the afterlife. Boss, I know Sunita right from her teenager. She's not capable of doing such. I can bet with my life that Sunita cannot do such a thing. Trust me. You are now speaking like a man who has been bottled. I don't think you're speaking with your right senses, Boniface. Yes, that girl must have done one or two to you. Well, whatever. Let me get out of this place.
You go like to go again, oh, no be your fault, oh. Sweet in the middle.
You look worried, my friend. What is it?
She wants me gone.
Mistress, I presume. It's okay. I know everything. Speak freely.
Well, what you shared was good. So I thought. But her rejecting me, it's really hurting my feelings.
Perhaps she's trying to protect her family at all costs. So my kind advice is that you should forget whatever that might have played in the past between both of you and erase it completely from your mind.
You see, my friend, you give good advice. But I'm unable to stop loving her, and I feel she's affected by me. Probably she's scared if I come around her, I might be able to just press her soft button and she keeps falling over and over again for me.
Actually, you are walking on a dangerous ground. What if Lord Patrick gets to find out about this? What will come of you?
You see, I am really trying so hard. I am trying so hard to stop this. But Mirabel's refusing me, rejecting me is really turning me on.
It's been 2 weeks since you came to my house. Is it not enough time for my brother-in-law to be done with what he came to do and leave?
Well, because my brother wants me to stay, so I am staying. I am not going anywhere.
Ramsey, I know that you're doing this because of me. Is it not very shameful that you have fallen in love with your brother's wife?
And is it not shameful enough that you had to kill our unborn baby just to protect your marriage? Yes! You got pregnant when your husband was not in the country, and that is why you threw our only child away. See, do I mean nothing to you?
Absolute nothing. You are one of my worst regrets. And listen, I know that you're here to complete and shatter everything. But let me make it clear to you, it will not happen. Stop wasting your time.
Oh, come off it. What are you saying? Can't you see your marriage is not working? Can't you see God is punishing you for killing our child? Listen, your love, your selfishness for wealth made you to throw it away. Our child was the only child that would have made you a mother. Shut up! You don't say that to me. You have no right. Now listen. This will be the last time I'm going to tolerate this from you. Enough! You lost it.
Chief Thomas, I want you to bring down those misleading articles and pictures you have been propelling against me. I am giving you 2 days to do that. Failure to do it, you are going to see the other side of me you have never imagined. Do you understand? You know I am a calm person,
but very deadly as well. Do not get on my nerves. Bring down those articles. Must be your opponent. I think he's trying to provoke you to stoop so low to the level of his game. That is something beneath me I will not do. Oh, come on, bro. Come on. Sometimes words are considered empty. Should I do something about it? I mean, should I permanently delete him from this race? No. I am fighting against dirty politics. Besides, I am focused on rebranding my image. You know, the people have always known me as a monster. I want them to see me to be a different person entirely. Do you understand? Listen, for the first time in this community, all I want is let the best man win. Let the vote count. Is there something bad in it? For the first time in the history of our elections in this country, vote will count. And fear is what brings about, it's what inspires the residents of power. Are you sure this your new image is going to work for you? There is honor in dignity. Well, I've told him my mind, and that is that. Let him try me and see.
I really want to appreciate you for coming on this one for me. It's been a while.
Yeah, of course I enjoy every moment I spend with you walking around. Especially, it entices me when you toast these girls in the village and they receive first love in most occasions.
Well, thank you for reminding me of my sad village adventures. You see, I think Mirabel still loves me. And I actually want to bring out the jealousy in her. Do you have any suggestions?
Let it be clear to you that I do not support you breaking your brother's marriage. But the solution I will provide will either give you the reaction of jealousy or will make you forget her and get another woman.
So, speak. What is the solution?
I have a woman that I can hire that can actually do this work very well. Yeah, I am very sure.
So, Boniface, I want you to bring this woman to me. Ensure that she's properly disguised, and I want Mirabel to see me and this woman in bed. I want her to be very jealous. I want to see the passion in her. Can this happen?
Sure.
Right? Okay. Thank you. So, I believe we have.
Yeah.
The man I brought you here for is nowhere to be found.
What kind of talk is that one? No, now. How can you just bring me this far for nothing? It will not work. Oh. No, it will not work. How can you do that now?
Sunita, have I failed you before? All the clients have found you. Have anyone failed? Something is wrong. Can you hear me? And there's not something. I said something is wrong.
Oh, okay.
And there's not something you will be here to find out. So
it's very simple. Carry your phone. Call him. Tell him that Sunita has arrived. Somebody that lives in this kind of mansion, the man will pay heavily. I don't make him.
Comport yourself.
Do you know what? How that money will change my life?
It's okay. So
hey, I am arrived.
See, listen now. What is wrong with you? You're raising your voice.
Oh, sorry.
Here is my working place.
Yes.
And if my madam is to come out here and find you, I will lose my job. You have to go.
Oh, now. How can I come this far for nothing? Ha! It does not work like that now. Just go and search those places you think he doesn't have interest in this house. It might just be somewhere. Just go and check again. Go and check now. Yes, I am very relaxed. Who will not relax here? See the breeze. Okay.
The client is occupied with something very matter of fact, you cannot see him.
I can wait.
No, wait now. You can wait what? See, if my mistress is to come here and find you, it will be a very big problem for me. Just, you got to be going.
Hide me inside kitchen
now.
No,
they talk. Me, I don't lose my job, you understand? So what you have got to do now is just take this door, this one now, because you won't follow here. So you have to take this back door. Then, listen now. You take your left. Then there is a door by the right. You also take that door. You will leave from the backyard.
So I will enter this door now.
Then you take your left.
I'll take my left.
And your right again.
And my right again.
And you leave. Now what you could do now?
Boniface, even transport. Boniface, if you touch me like that, you need to say more respect yourself. Boniface, has it come to this? That you trick me to go and do a chauffeur? You and I know that I don't offer free services. So why would you trick me to go and do this kind of a thing now? Please, 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 I don't want trouble. Pay me my money. I demand payment for my services.
Senator, you did crazy. What sort of nonsense is this? What's the meaning of this?
Boniface, someone had sex with me that night. I demand my payment in full. Give it to me.
Senator, you must be joking. Nobody slept with you. The client was not around. I was the only one there. Oh. Hold on, Sunita. Are you insinuating that by any chance I slept with you or something?
What kind of nonsense talk is that one? Do I look stupid to you? Do I look like I'm imagining things? I'm a harlot. That it doesn't mean I don't know what I am doing. No. I am telling you that someone slept with me that night. Yes! Listen to me. The person was very, very aggressive and very, very, very angry. That person rode me like a horse and not a human being. So, I demand payment for my services. Give it to me now.
Bring down your hand. Just bring it down. What's even wrong with you? Give me my money now. Does it even make sense to you? I said I was the only one that slept there. So, are you by any chance, if I may ask again, that I slept with you?
Boniface, you are very stupid for saying that. What kind of talk is that one? What kind of nonsense talk is that one? Do I look like I am lying? I'm telling you that somebody had sex with me that night. What are you even saying? Boniface, if not that I am a good friend, and I'm considering your job, and I'm a good person, I would have just come to that place to come and look for that man in the dark who had sex with me that night and demand my payment. What kind of nonsense is that one now? Do I look like a child? Don't I know when somebody sleeps with me? I am telling you that somebody slept with me. I am not even lying here. If I say somebody slept with me, somebody actually did sleep with me. I'm not joking.
Sonita, it seems this your conji, this cro, you don't enter your head. You don't even know.
You say that nonsense again, me and you will stop being friends. So I am telling you that something happened to me. So if you to take it seriously, you are there to say nonsense. Be very careful.
Oh, charismatic harlot, with the heart of gold. But who was she behind the mask? A complex.
I've been accused of killing Chief Obi last night. But the truth is, I was at home all day.
So why would they accuse me of such crime?
Did you say you were at home all through?
I mean, which part of the house were you? Because I actually looked everywhere, but I couldn't find you, so...
I was at home. I saw a girl who was putting on the uniform of a maid. She can attest to that.
A maid?
Yeah.
Come on, honey, but we just have a chef who does all the house chores. What are you talking about?
I saw this girl. She wore a maid's uniform. She's the only one that can attest, or rather vindicate me from this mess.
Where's Boniface?
I think he should be at the back.
Boniface!
Ramsey is around and you never bothered to tell me.
It didn't sound like a good news I was eager to share.
And I guess you made him feel comfortable. You have to let him go. I know very well that you still have feelings for that young man. And him staying in that place will ruin your marriage. And you know that.
You think I don't know that, Mom? Okay. I'm actually trying to make him leave. But he's so unwilling. Imagine, he says he's only there for his brother.
And you're too smart to believe such dirty lies. That boy will ruin your home. So throw him out, let him go.
Look, Mom, in as much as I want Ramsey to leave, I've got bigger problems. Yes.
How?
My husband is being accused of murder, and that's a more serious case. His only alibi is a maid, which we don't even know if exists. I don't even know what to do. I'm going insane.
This is becoming messy.
Very messy.
Boniface, boss, if there is something you know, please start talking, because I have been accused of murder simply because the deceased happens to be my political opponent.
Boss, I'm sorry, but if I may ask, where were you that very night?
I was in the other guest room. I saw something in my own room that made me drag to stone. I needed to forget about it, so I decided to rest my head in the guest room. And then I saw someone passing through the hallway, a lady wearing maiden clothes, and I dragged her into the room. That's all I can remember for now.
So she was right. So what slept with her?
What are you talking about? Who is the someone? What someone?
Boss, I know the person that can speak for you. I know who can justify you. But the problem is that she cannot be associated with you. I don't know, we may end up creating another problem while trying to solve another.
Then we must identify which problem is bigger and must be solved at any cost.
Oh, charismatic harlot, with the heart of gold. But who was she behind the mask? A complex soul with a story untold. The world may never know. She's a child of destiny. Yeah.
It's all over the village. People are worried and scared.
I must be considered a terrorist then. Because how is a harlot missing a period making everyone worried and scared?
See, let me tell you, as we speak, a lot of families are in trouble. They're in fumble.
Why?
Who is the father, if I may ask?
What kind of nonsense question is that one? I meet a lot of men daily. How am I supposed to know the one who fired the shot and scored the goal?
Hey! Okay, so now you don't know the father. Will you keep the baby?
Is this one an interrogation class? What is this now? I've drawn very strong herbs to get rid of it. And it has refused to go. The whole thing is just making me go crazy right now. My head is in a lot of places at this point. I don't know what else to do. And I'm so worried. I'm worried about bringing a child into this cursed life of mine. What kind of thing is this one?
This one really telling me, actually. But you see, the part you said, you have been drinking a lot of herbs. See, don't do it again, no. Because I've heard of stories and occasions where the mother follows the child while trying to, you know what I mean. So don't do that again. You can actually keep the baby, alright? You are not alone.
Sunita the harlot is pregnant, and I'm very sure the child is carried is for one of our husbands. I met the women that summoned her, but she did nothing about it. And Sunita still roams around in this village freely, breaking marriages and homes. And I'm very sure that pregnancy she's carrying is for one of her husbands.
What are we going to do? And how are we going to know who fathered the baby?
Now I can see that you're worried. I thought you were so confident that your man can never be caught sleeping with her. Please don't mind that. What if it has happened once? Have you ever thought about that?
You know, from where I stand, once is enough to father a baby on a fertile day.
Exactly. Anyways, I don't want to have any sleepless nights over something I have no evidence of. All of us are supposed to wait until the baby is being born. Then we'll know who fathered the baby or who the baby resembles.
I just pray that pregnancy does not belong to my husband.
I pray the pregnancy is not for my boyfriend because I'm scared. I don't want to lose my boyfriend.
Hey, you see that shower? Hey! If that pregnancy belongs to my husband, hey! Oh!
Mommy dearest, have you come to check on your stepdaughter that is on the lips of every woman out there? They have become so scared. I have become their worst nightmare.
That's what you think. The only thing you ended up doing is proving who you are to the whole world. You are a peace destroyer and a home wrecker.
I do not see myself sending any woman out of her husband's house. How then am I an home wrecker?
I came to give you an advice as your mother.
Stepmother! I do not have any right because you have never been a mother, step or otherwise.
I will still give you the advice
I
anyway.
don't need it.
I will tell you right now, the best thing you have to do in this life, you have to get rid of this pregnancy. That's the only way this child will have peace in this life.
And you think I haven't tried?
Oh.
The last attempt almost took my life. Except you're asking me to die with this child.
Beautiful! This is the best thing you have ever said in your entire miserable life. Amazing! Because you are worthless. You're more or less useless. So it's better you die with this child and this case will close. And I will be able to have peace in my house.
In the shadow of night, yeah, she will play silent chord. That's beckon me to come closer to her. Her eyes like diamond burning. Oh, charismatic harlot.
Oh, Holy Ghost. They refuse to drop the charges until I provide a witness that will testify that I am innocent. I need someone. I need someone that will testify that I wasn't where they thought I was. It is time to reveal the identity of this maid. It's alright, boss. Well, the maid is a whore. Yes, boss. It's the same whore you know, the same whore you've been sleeping with. You know, I don't understand. Then how did she get into the house? Well, your brother asked me to get him a hall and I brought her. You mean you brought the same woman I am sexually involved with to my brother? Why? Why would you do such a thing? And now this same harlot wants to be my alibi? The only person that can testify to free? Was it your plan? No. Boss, it cannot be my plan now. You should know. Your brother insisted her that it must be her, and that was the reason I brought her. Huh? If someone like that should become my alibi, everyone would definitely know I am sexually involved with her. Yes, they will definitely know. And I have worked so hard to be where I am today. It will definitely tarnish my image to have a whore, not just a whore. She is well known as a prostitute. Boss, the thing that should matter right now is not about who she is. I think the thing that should matter now is she saving you from going to jail. And talking about her being a whore or something, I can actually come up with, I employed her to work for you since I have the power to do that. I've been the one employing your staff. I employed her to work for you. And Boniface, listen, I know you're trying to be smart, or rather, you are trying to sound like a smart guy. But think, this is 21st century. People out there are also smart. Probably they are smarter than you are. Before you think one step, they are 2 steps ahead of you. Think. This is my reputation we are talking about here.
So even upon this load where you carry, spiritual congestion they worry you?
I think I am, you. You shock me too. Hi, Boniface, help me out now. And just maybe if it's a tip, you just put our rest. At least you can just even quickly shower and you need to not even know. Hi.
So I should help you and nourish this baby. Then the baby will look like me. Everybody will think I'm the father of the child. No way. See, let me tell you. Contact one of these your clients that might be probably the father of this child. Let them come and have sex with you. Don't come and never again.
What's that now? You and I know that the wives, they are keeping them under lock and key. Why are you doing like this now? Listen, they fear that the baby might just come out looking like their husband. Meanwhile, have you found out the identity of the man that had sex with me that night? Is it the one that made me to go to court to testify in his favor that I was with him that evening?
Sunita, can you stop digging about this man? Were you not paid well? So why are you digging about the identity of this man? See, let me tell you, they said ignorance is like a bliss. The less you know, the better for you.
At this point, the less I know my baby wants for me, Sunita will find out anything she wants to by herself. Meanwhile, money, how far now?
If you leave your mouth there, before you put me.
What kind of a friend are you? A friend in need is a friend indeed, though. Alright, now I'm in need. Oh.
Babe.
What? No. Hold on. What is it? Please, I beg you in the name of God. Can you just stop listening to these village people singing and ring in your head, please? This is dangerous.
Did you listen to the ones in your head? The ones telling you to help her in the state of pregnancy. Did you listen to them?
Can you just drop this? I will never sit on you. I give you my word and I stood by it. I love you.
I love you, baby. Please allow me to smell this. Allow me to smell your baby in pain. Please.
Why can't you just take my word for it? Can you just stop it?
You need to be for you to allow me to smell. Just smell. I will.
It's dangerous. Can you just keep away this knife, please? I beg of you. Please, to avoid the devil's handiwork. Okay, fine. Smell. Keep smelling like a pig.
I will. Don't worry. I'll be a pig because of you. You Italian, so how to?
I think it's time for you to leave. Whatever you call this, it's not right.
Come on. What is wrong in us loving each other?
I am married to your Sweetheart, yes, I know I've been sexually starved and I made you sleep with me. Listen, it's not coming from a place of love. It's coming from a place of lust. Insatiable sexual urge. Don't you get it?
Oh, is that what you tell yourself? Mirabelle, your body cannot deny how much it longs for me. You can lie with your lips for all I care.
Look, I love my husband. I want my marriage to work. It's best you leave now that I'm still telling you nicely. Else, I'll be forced to throw you out. Yes.
Is that supposed to be a threat? Oh, no, you're threatening me? Oh, come on. Your marriage with my brother is not working and you know it.
You cannot be saying that to me. I want you to leave my home and life quietly. I don't want to ever set my eyes on you again. Leave.
So you are pregnant. The famous harlot is with child.
I am shocked that you are shocked. Because every act with every man is for procreation. It's called mating. And a baby is a consequence of such act.
But considering your trade, don't you think having a child might turn out to be an obstacle, or are you considering to retire?
I'm sure you're not here to discuss my bad decision as a harlot. If you're here for pleasure, I'm heavily pregnant and I'm out of service.
I am not here for that. I came to talk.
Is this the part where you threaten me once again? Because the last time you were here, you accused me of something really hideous.
Who is the father of your baby?
This is so funny. Haven't you heard the famous saying that a harlot's child is no man's child? This child is mine. Besides, I can't even tell the seed that formed this baby because I meet with a lot of men daily, so...
Why haven't you been using protection? Are we in danger of contacting disease when we meet you?
Well, to put your mind at ease, I use protection and I treat myself often. Tell me, have you visited the hospital ever since our last meeting?
Not really. What are you going to do about your baby? I have an offer to make. Be my mistress, and I will take care of you. Like, let me be the only man in your life. You service me whenever I want, where I want, and how I want it.
Well, I have a burning and shameless urge. When the need comes, one man cannot satisfy me.
I think you should consider my offer. But it must be a secret between us. I promise to always be there for you. And knowing my status in this community, no one should know I am associating with a harlot like you.
I see how discreet you are. I mean, I still do not even know your name. And your facial features are always well hidden. And that damn hoodie gives me a ghost vibe.
When the time comes, you will know.
Such a mysterious man. I can't help but be drawn to him. It kind of makes my baby feel really happy. Bonnie, you just missed him.
This one?
The man you brought the other time, and the client you brought, just missed him now. I think he didn't need to have sex, so should I have just told him to have sex with me? What do you think?
What have you done?
What did I do now?
I mean, what does he want? Why do you see him?
Ha! Hey, you expect me to share the conversations and discussions I had with my clients with you? No. It's very, very confidential. I don't do that.
John is confidential. Confidential. If someone is to hear you now, they will feel you're a lawyer or a psychologist, making use of confidential and client in one sentence. They don't know you are nothing but a cheap whore.
So why are you friends with nothing but a cheap whore? Aren't you ashamed? You are even the greater harlot if you don't know now. Friends of a whore.
My friend, tell me why he's here.
I will not tell you anything. Anyway.
You don't want to tell me?
I feel drawn towards him. I feel safe anytime he's around me. And I think I like him. Not like I think. I like him.
Hey!
And I think he needs to like me too.
I showered on the love, oh. I showered on the love. See, let me tell you, he is married. Happily married. With a beautiful wife. And he's not ready to leave his wife for you.
Well, I didn't ask him to leave his wife. I don't even have any intention of making him leave his wife. Besides, you know that one man can hardly give me or even satisfy me. But never say never. Can just happen.
In the shadow of night, yeah, she will play silent chord. That's beckon me to come closer to her. Her eyes like diamond burning. Oh, charismatic harlot with the heart of gold. But who was she behind the mask? A complex soul with a story untold. The world may never know. She's a child of destiny. Yeah. In the shadow of night, yeah, she will play silent chord. That's beckon me to come closer to her. Her eyes like diamond burning. Oh, charismatic harlot with the heart of gold. But who was she?
Boss, you frequently everything. I hope all is well.
I heard Sunita has put to bed. What did she give birth to? A boy or a girl?
Boss, she gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Very healthy boy. Oh, really? What does he look like? Huh? I can see there are so many people there. Probably they are there to know who the baby looks like. So tell me, does he look like me? Is he light skin or dark skin or flat nose or big head?
Sorry, boss. I didn't really check that because I was just busy with other things. But not to worry. Let me go and check it to know.
No. Forget it. It's alright. It's okay. Probably she needs your help right now. So I suggest you go be with her. Alright?
Boss, why do you care about the harlot so much? I thought you said she's the whore and the sorcerer.
Oh, yes. She's not innocent as well. Just that there's something exciting about her. Yes, she makes me feel good whenever she's around me. And I think she's a nice person. Don't you think so?
Boss, I don't think it's right for you to be here, honestly. You're a married man. You should be with your wife. You understand? Boss, see, Sunita is an experiment. And she has really concluded her deal with you.
Well, you see, I can't help it. You see, when I was a little boy, there's this Indian movie we used to watch. Sunita. Maybe that's why I can't help it. I'll talk to you some other time.
you can clearly see that the child has your husband's forehead. And you dare say my husband fathered the child?
Are you blind? Can't you see his nose? It clearly looks like your husband's nose.
You worthless woman. Can't you see that child clearly has your husband's forehead and not mine?
Look at this idiot. Why am I even here battling words with you? Don't worry. The child will grow and will see who he looks like, and that is your husband.
Wait, hold on. Did you just insult me now? Eh? Did you just insult me now?
What were you expecting? You called me a worthless woman.
I promise you are going to regret me.
Regret what?
You will regret me. Trust me.
I won't be friends with an idiot. Have I been so blind to see your
Stop this nonsense and go back to your home. This child is mine. Only a woman can tell who the father of her child is. Do you understand me? Now go back to your home. So who is the father then? Is it Mr. Gabriel?
Sunita, that child belongs to Mr. Jerry, right? I know, obviously, he's Mr. Jerry's child.
Which Jerry?
It is your husband's child.
Which my husband? The child is the child of a harlot. Right. Formed by many men and no man in particular. Do you understand me? The child is mine. Now go back to your homes and stop disturbing my child's face. Get out! That child does not look like my husband. Do you want more water? Does not look like my husband, no. Mrs.
Hi. Oh, is that why you even poured water on my body?
Now. Don't worry, that child is mine. It's your husband! It's your husband! It's your husband! It's your husband!
You know, the baby is so handsome. I think he's mine.
My child belongs to no one. He's mine alone. He's not yours.
So, I feel I can claim this child. Huh? I can give him my name. Sunita, you know I care about you so much. Why don't you just leave this village and let's start our new life somewhere?
Are you crazy? Are you okay? You think you have what it takes to keep a woman like me? Is that what you're thinking? Listen, even if I decide to quit this trade because of a man, I would do that because of a great and powerful man. Not someone like you, who cannot even control his insecure wife.
Sunita, why are you so harsh to me? You know that I love you.
Eh? You love a harlot? Hey! Are you for real? Now you're loving a harlot. Listen, everything I do is transactional, including love. And at this point, I've stopped selling. Market door closed. Leave my house.
Sunita, you need to consider me.
You are disturbing my son. Oh. My child is sleeping. Leave.
Sunita.
I said leave this place. I have what I read you.
Sunita, you need to consider what I just told you now, okay? Please.
Guess who I saw on my way back home?
You know I suck at guessing, so tell me.
The doctor. He said he had something interesting to tell me, and then he went on to say you had a series of miscarriages in the past and recently.
Of course he was mistaking me for someone because we've not even been intimate for a long period of time.
Exactly my point.
So how did I get pregnant?
Yeah, exactly what I told him, to protect our image, because I find it difficult to erect whenever you are around me, so I wonder how it happened. Listen, tell me the truth. And do not lie to me because I know what happened. Speak!
I'm sorry. I was sexually starved and vulnerable. I was lonely. Please, your brother took advantage of me. I was never going to sleep with him. He forced me. Please, I'm sorry. I was never going to cheat on you.
I am sorry too. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now you listen to me. This marriage was over the day I saw you in bed with my brother. But I kept it all to myself because of what the people out there would say. The moment this whole election thing is over, we will go our separate ways.
Honey, please.
Do you understand? Don't lay your treacherous hands on me.
I'm sorry. Please.
My brother was giving it to you under my roof. You were screaming his name, holding him so tight. I stood right there watching you. Your legs were like this. Oh! Screaming his name! In my roof. It's in my roof.
Sorry. Honey, please don't. Honey.
What is broken cannot fix.
You call me your brother, but all this while you have been smashing my wife behind me. Aren't you a devil?
I am very sorry. I know what I've done is wrong. I know it's abominable. But I couldn't control it. What are we going to do now?
This marriage is over, but still exists in him and in the eyes of the public till I call it quits. Do you understand?
I know I deserve all the punishment of earth. I know I have failed you. I cannot ask for your forgiveness.
You better don't, because you want to get it. You and my wife can kiss my butt. First thing tomorrow morning, I want you to take your things and get the hell out of this place. You know I am a man of little word. You won't like the outcome. Spend another day here.
I need you to stop healing people till you get exhausted. Come on, you're looking drained out.
This is my mission, to fix things and make them go back to their normal state. This is what I must do, Mama.
What if you get completely exhausted? Just go, please. All of you go. He's tired. He's very drained. Are you okay? Okay, come. You need to eat something, eh? You need to eat something.
Who are you? I think I've seen you before.
Yes, you know me because you formed me. I am the offspring.
Are you really my son? Who is your mother?
The woman whose thoughts have kept you awake, restless, but you are unable to embrace your happiness and feelings because you fear for your image.
I think I know who you're talking about.
Do I look like a stranger to you? What do you feel? The truth is within you. You must make everything right and bring everyone to their original position. You know what to do. Just do what you have to do to make things right, and the world will adjust for your decision.
Hey, little boy. Don't go. Come. Please come back.
Great. I needed to go someplace, okay? Go play. Besides, you told me there was an old woman who was ill and needed you to heal her. Why not just go and do that, okay? You can go now.
Why? So you can bring the man in here to calm you down.
How do you know that?
I know many things. I was sent, You are not living the life that belongs to you. I was sent so everything can go back to the way they ought to be.
I do not understand you. You tell me too many things. And you're a gifted child. I'm just a mere mortal. How do you expect me to understand these things when you do not even talk in simple terms?
If I talk in simple terms, you will get even more confused. Mama, I choose to be your child, but you did not choose me. And that is because the deities have seen how cheated you have been and want to make it right. Just relax. And you don't need a man to calm you down.
Great. Do you find the house big and beautiful?
Yes, Mama. This is my house, our house where we shall be living, and soon everything can go back to their normal position.
Well, trust me, my son. We can't live here. I know you're gifted, but I do not expect such childish desires from you, okay?
This is not a childish desire. Mama, Papa lives there and I must go in there and see my great gift.
Great! My son just ran in. He's saying some crazy things about his father living here. Do you know what he's talking about?
Which father are you talking about, Sunita? When the mother don't even know who shot the shot. What are you saying?
Boniface, you know I have a gifted child who sees beyond the human world. My son just told me that his father is in there and is going to say his greetings. Tell me, Boniface, did I have any carnal knowledge with any man who lives here? 8 years have passed. You owe me the truth as my best friend.
The man who slept with you 8 years ago, the day you disguised yourself as a maid, was actually my boss, Lord Patrick. I am sorry we paid you off to keep your mouth shut, but we did that to protect his political career.
Wait a minute. Is it the same person who was always in a hoodie, who always kept his identity a secret.
Sunita, I am sorry. Like I said earlier, we did that to protect his political career. We never expected that this would come out of it. I mean, you bearing a child. I am sorry. I didn't mean to betray you. I didn't mean to keep this away from you this while, but I couldn't help it.
Wow. So you couldn't even stay? You now come to my house? What is your mission? To beg for food? Now that you cannot see men in the open in the presence of your son.
Mistress, this is rather harsh.
Shut up and stay away from this. I am talking to my sister. Sunita, what do you want? Have you come here to tell me that we should leave as family? Have you come so that you can do everything to be acknowledged by myself and my mother?
And your mother are the worst thing that's ever happened to me. Your mother pushed my father to death. You tried to make me quit on life. But the deities had other plans for me.
There she goes. Always thinking this is the moment to shine. Let me tell you, you are nothing more than a miserable harlot. Worthless, useless, that is what you are. The only good thing that happened to you is that gifted child. And if you do not keep him away from my family, you'll be left with no one. Not even him.
Don't you ever in your miserable life threaten my child ever again. Do whatever you like to me, but not with my child. If you dare to threaten my child, I swear by the gods, what I would do to you. Even hell will reject you. I understand because you do not have a child of your own, so you do not know what it feels like. But if you dare to threaten my child, you will see the fury of a mother.
Are you raise your hands on me?
No.
Are you leave me alone? Fool! You dare insult me with my predicament? Leave me alone! Leave me!
Are you really here or am I dreaming?
I came to say my greeting. I should be going. My mother is looking for me as we speak.
Are you really my son? And what is your name?
My name is Great. Have you heard of Great, the gifted child? That is what the villagers call me.
Yes. Great. The gifted child. The one who has brought light and hope to the villagers.
It is my mission.
Oh, tell me, who is your mother?
She is someone you know.
Hey, don't go. Please, come.
I wasn't meant to you. I called you a witch.
Well, you always offered me shelter and protection. Despite how complicated it is to be involved in the life of a harlot, you gave me a house. You gave me security, but I turned it down.
I wronged you. I left you all these years to suffer. Listen, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am so sorry.
It's not your fault. If my son had not connected with you as the gifted child that he is, and Boniface confirming your identity as the faceless man who I met before I missed my period, I would never have allowed any man take responsibility for Great's birth.
I left you for over 8 years. But I am here to make things right. I also want to suggest something to you. I think we should look for a solution to your excessive sexual desires. so that you can be able to stay with one man, and I want to be that one man in your life.
What then happens with your wife? I mean, my stepsister. Are you planning on keeping me as a secret or even your side piece? Is that what it is?
You are the mother of my son. You deserve every care that you can get. Listen, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want you by my side with my son for the rest of our days on this earth.
I am living a life that is not mine. A story told, but not divine. I've been searching for a son, all night and day, trying to find my way through lies and pain. Maybe someday I will find my way to the love that's delayed.
Patrick, come out from this house. I know you're inside. Patrick! Patrick, how can you leave me to be without my Harlot stepsister? This explains everything. This explains why you couldn't touch me. And you ended up in the arms of that loose Harlot. Patrick, come out here and face me.
You are wrong. Deities decided to fight you when you took her life and still want to live your own life. A life of disloyalty and unfaithfulness.
Will you shut up? What do you think you are? You think you can open your mouth and spit out trash because they call you a silly gifted child? You think it gives you the nerve to meddle into the affairs of your elders? Are you insane? Shut up!
Don't you dare talk to my son like that. What is wrong with you?
What you do not want to know or hear, I will tell you. You know my mother is destined for greatness. Are you not curious how she ended up being a common harlot?
Great. You have to stop talking. Why are you talking like that?
No, mother, she must hear the truth. Only then can things go back to their rightful place.
No, come on, tell me. I am curious too. I want to know how she ended up in harlot and how she ended up in the arms of my husband. Tell me, I want to know.
There is a hair and sand locked in a bottle in your mother's room. Locate it, open it and fling it in the air, and you get your life back.
Hair and sand in my mother's room. Listen to me. This better be true. I want to do that charm that your mother and yourself has done to my husband. I want my husband to be free, and I want my life back. Woe besides you if I do not see that bottle. Deal with all of you. Fools.
Now everything will return back to their rightful place.
Today, everything goes back to the rightful position. I set myself and Patrick free. We are going to be free. We are going to have our lives back. I set Patrick. What are you doing? Mother, you don't have to be worried. I'm trying to set myself and Patrick free. That gifted child said this is what I have to do so that we can be free and have our lives back. That boy used you. He used you to set the mother free. And you went into it. What are you saying, mother? That boy, he used you. We need to go to Sonita now. If I don't go there now, I will run mad. I'll go. Mad? Let's go. Let's go to Sonita. Let's go. Go. We have to go to Sonita.
I am living a life that is not mine. A story told, but not divine. I've been searching for myself all night and day, trying to find my way through lies and pain. Maybe someday I will find my way to the love that's delayed. Oh, yeah.
Please, I have this confession to make now. Because if I don't do it now, I will either run mad or die. So it's better I confess now. Please, you all have to listen to me.
Finally, the hour of truth have come. The hour when everything go back to their rightful position.
You? You tricked me. You tell so much lies for a gifted child. I am going to deal with you when all this is over.
You will be too busy with your original life to care about me.
Please listen to me. I have no time, I have to say this. Sonita, I'm sorry. I was just jealous. Sonita, you're a destiny child with brighter lives. Everything you set your eyes on, you achieve. But my daughter was like a dark cloud. Each time I see both of you, she's just like a dark cloud around you while you go out there and achieve everything. So I had a problem with that. I could not watch my stepdaughter become brighter than my own daughter. So I had to do something.
I am living a life that is not mine. A story told, but not divine. I've been searching for myself all night and day, trying to find my way through lies and pain. Maybe someday I will find my way to the love that's delayed. Oh, yeah. Charismatic harlot. Oh, charismatic harlot.
Young lady, can I excuse us? Oh, I need to speak to your mother.
Wise one.
What did you say? Is my daughter going to be great? I see emptiness. A fate that one wishes she or she was never born. I saw darkness hovering around her. She will yield for men, and none will satisfy her. Emptiness. No good thing about her destiny. No good thing about her destiny. It's a painful fate.
May the deity forbid. I reject it. Wise one. What do you mean? Wise one. What of the other one? Will she be great?
You can see for yourself. She has destiny of that of a queen. Greatness. Brightness. She will be favored wherever she goes. No matter where you put her, she will be great. Wherever she finds herself, she will have royal friends, noble friends, a great destiny, such as a royal home.
Wise one. I want that greatness for my daughter. I want it.
No, madam. There will be consequences. No. You can't ask me to do that. There's great consequences. Great consequences.
Wise one. Whatever it takes for my daughter to be great, I wouldn't mind. I would do anything for her.
In that case, get me a strand of her hair and sand on where she works on. Put them in a bottle. Bring them for me. Leave the rest.
Wise one, like I said before, I am ready to do anything. I am ready to convert that her destiny, my own child, to be great.
Hey! Great consequences. Well, do as I say.
I am living a life that is not mine. A story told, but not divine. I've been searching for myself all night and day, trying to find my way through lies and pain. Maybe someday I will find my way to the love that's delayed.
See, I have told you I'm the Minabelle, that a woman's hair should not be kept like this. You can see it's very rough.
Charismatic Harlot.
Sit.
Oh, charismatic Harlot.
Thank you, Mama. You made me happy. We should do this often.
That's good, girl. Thank you. Just go, I'm coming, okay? Let me just...
I am living a life that is not mine. A story told, but not divine. I've been searching for myself all night and day, trying to find my way through lies and pain. Maybe someday I will find my way to the love that's delayed. Oh, yeah. Charismatic Harlot.
Go.
Oh, charismatic.
Mother, the king loves my poem, and he gave me this gift. He says a woman like me will make a great queen, and he says he would love to marry me off to the prince if I say yes. Can you believe that?
The king is flattering you. Who are you to be considered as a future queen? As what?
He says I'll be great, and I will experience with you. Did he lie to you?
Excuse me. You are nobody. You are nothing. Who are you? Why is it that every time, every day, Sonita gets praises and gifts? I know she's great. I'm nothing to her, but Mother, I feel sad. I feel someday I will have to wake up and live under her grace and provision. Mother, I'm sad. I'm feeling sad. I'm scared.
No. No! Mother, this cannot be possible. Wait, you mean to tell me that everything that I have, everything that I am belongs to Sunita? No, Mom, she's just a harlot. No, the gods are with her. I swapped your destinies. I gave you her life, her own destiny, and I gave her your own.
No wonder I had so much excessive urge, and I hated to be with one man.
The gods are with you. That is why Patrick had an erection disorder. And somehow when he met you, you two came together and brought this destiny child. I'm sorry, Sonita.
Why now? Why are you confessing all this now?
Because I want everything to come back to normal. I want everything to come out and my daughter to have her life back. Everything will be corrected, else I will die.
What I want to do Yes, I need a man. I want to do. Boniface, come.
I am living a life that is not mine. A story told, but not divine. I've been searching for myself all night and day, trying to find my way through lies and pain. Maybe someday I will find.
I don't want to set my eyes on Mira.
She is your wife. And she's your sister, for Christ's sake.
Not anymore. I don't want to set my eyes on Mirabel. That is final.
She is your wife. You must go on marrying her. And you, she is your sister.
She has never seen me as a sister. Even when you forced me into a life, a useless life, through diabolical means, you both made sure my life was a living hell. I do not have a mother, neither do I have a sister. And it has been that way for a really long time, and I wish it remained so. Thank you. Please, let's go.
Okay, darling.
I've been searching for myself all night and day, trying to find my way.
And that person you're calling honey is somebody's husband. It's my daughter's husband.
I will find my way to the love that's delayed. Oh, yeah. Charismatic harlot. Oh, charismatic harlot.
I want to say a big thank you to every one of you for standing by me through my most difficult moments. Even the destiny I was given didn't keep you all away from me. For that, I'm super grateful. Thank you.
Sunita, you're a very nice person. It's quite unfortunate you were being treated badly by those who doesn't know you. The evil ones.
Well, Boniface, you were always nice to me, been really kind to me, and I'm thankful for you. I know it must have been difficult for Eunice accepting that your best friend was a harlot. That could make the most secure and trusting woman doubt any man's loyalty.
I faced everything. Thank you, my God. I came from a very far place. I saw how good love is and how hard she cried. A life that never belongs to her. She lived and tried not to end it all. Then I said to the deities, let me be born by her to make things right. I chose Dad and Mom because they rightfully belong to each other. Greatness mashed with greatness.
Aww.
Thank you so much, my son. And I am proud to be called your father. Thank you for choosing us. My darling, I want to know you more. I mean the new you, not who you used to be. Can you and my son be part of my life?
Yes. And I would like to get to know you more. Not as a customer in a hoodie, but as Patrick, the greatest man in this community.
Okay, nice to hear. Where do we start from here?
If you ask me, I will say the bedroom.
No one is asking you.
Oh, there's a key here. There is a key here.
Well, I will say the bedroom. Come on. Great is now 8 years old. I hope you know that. And he deserves to have siblings.
Consider that on one condition. The condition that you get married.
Exactly. Yeah. Eunice has been waiting for you for so long. Tell me, what's keeping you? What's the excuse? Go ahead, tell me.
Should I say I will surprise both of you by breaking this news to you that I finally proposed to Eunice? And you know what? Eunice accepted my proposal.
That's a good news, right?
Congrats.
For now,
Yes, because I don't believe Eunice. Otherwise, she kept on smelling my GP. No more smelling anymore.
What else did you touch with that?
I told you she is not ordinary. She has used her harlotry and charms to take over Lord Patrick, the most richest and famous man in this village. Imagine, that man sent his wife Mirabel out of his house. I heard that girl now goes about begging men to sleep with her for free. Hey! Whole thing. Wow. Sunita is really evil. She not just take our husbands from us, but she also transferred diseases to them. I fear such women. This is how the both of you go about spreading lies everywhere. Boniface told me what happened. Mama Mia saw the greatness in Sunita, then saw the emptiness in Mirabel. She has to use diabolical means to swap their destinies. Are you guys saying what I don't know? Are you trying to say that all this while, Sunita has been living someone else's life? Hey! She has been living Mirabel's life, and Mirabel is living her life. It was through the help of the gifted child that everything was revealed. Even Mama Mia confessed to it. But thank God, everything is now neutralized, and all of them went back to their rightful places. Hi! Poor Sunita. She really suffered so much in our hands. And meanwhile, she was not even living the life that was even hers to begin with. Exactly. So whatever Mama Mia and Mirabel said, you guys should not listen to them. Hey! Jesus Christ. That's what happened though. That's what happened. Hey, tell me something. Wait, hold on. That's what happened though. What are you? Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. So you've now entered the married women association. Hey! Congratulations, my friend. I'm so happy for you. I'm happy for myself also.
I don't want you to leave. In as much as I have to do the right thing to make you stay as my wife. Listen, there are many rooms in this house. You can't stay in any one. I promise not to disturb you until I do what is demanded of me by tradition.
Well, I want to do the right thing. All my life, I've lived servicing men. And for the very first time that I have a second chance at life, I want to do it all over again and do it right.
Listen, it is written, behold, old things have passed away. All things are new. What happened in the past wasn't your fault. You were being manipulated and hypnotized. I don't want you to go, okay? I want my son to spend the night here. Great.
Sir,
Would you spend the night with Daddy?
I would love to if Mom says yes.
Mom, please, agree.
Okay. Only for tonight, not a day more.
Until Dad makes us his real family.
Exactly. So hasten up, tell your dad to make us his real family.
I promise. I'll make that happen soon, okay? Tell me, why will they leave? Is this place not comfortable enough? Let me ask you, Boniface. Will Sonita make a good wife?
Sure, she will. I mean, judging from what Mama Mia said, both of you are meant to be for life. Nature bonds both of you together, so I think she will make a good wife. Sonita is a very nice person, and heaven and earth, even the trees along the street can testify that she's a very nice girl. And I can see you are missing her because not quite long they left and your mood has changed. It shows that you really love her.
Can we have a toast?
What are we celebrating? Is today your birthday?
For the fact that we are still alive and healthy, it is worth celebrating, isn't it? Yes. So, let us toast to better days ahead with more open doors and God's blessings.
Very.
My friend, bring your own cup. What's wrong with you?
Juice for you.
I had to beg you.
You will never change.
I had to beg you.
My darling, I have made up my mind to spend the rest of my days on this earth with you. I have come to love you beyond my wildest imaginations. Please, will you spend the rest of your life with me?
Wow! I love this! Come on!
Yes, please put the ring already.
Congratulations, boss. I'm so happy for you.
Money?
Come on! Lovely! Congratulations! Oh my goodness! Wow!
So beautiful.
Nice to hear. Nice to hear.
I love it.
Lovely. And I love you more.
For real.
This is lovely. So very soon, Sonita will now become my mistress.
Well, you can quit if you want to go. I mean, if my lord pleases, there should be positions at the parliament. You know, you could just take that one up. I don't know. What do you think?
That's very okay. Especially now as I navigate my political journey, I need trusted people around me. You understand? So, Boniface, you are the most qualified.
My goodness!
I can't believe this. You mean I will now become a politician? Just like that? Oh, this is lovely. Boss, thank you so much. I don't know how to appreciate you. God bless you.
My son will become mistress.
I am not your mistress, but now that you're becoming a politician, I am no more your mistress.
So, please enjoy. Oh, this is lovely.
That's my ring. Thank you.
I made the best choice.
In the shadow of night, yeah, she will play silent chord. That's beckon me to come closer to her. Her eyes like diamond burning. Oh, charismatic harlot with the heart of gold.